Welcome back to ICT trading concept. How are you all? I'm sorry for the morning. If you can hear me, please let me know that. Yeah, at the morning session, it was a sudden load shedding, so I wasn't here when it hit my target. I'm sorry for that. Okay, I'm sorry for that. But I'm not going to start my PM session. To be honest, okay. Whoever didn't give me the like, if you were with me for so long means at least 1 week, you have to give me the like first. Okay, so please give me the like, then I will start. Otherwise, just nothing to say. I mean, you have to make it at least 20 likes. Okay, you can hear me, please let me know that. Voice volume is good, brother. Okay, thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Nicolo Bruno. Thanks. Hey, Jen. I'm not gonna start if you don't give me at least 20 likes. I can see there is near about 36 people. Yeah, I know I'm a very small YouTuber, underrated. I know nothing about the price action, but still I deserve some likes as I'm here with all of you guys. Okay, and likes is all free. Okay, I'm asking is because if you give me the like, then YouTube will send my live to some other people's homepage, I guess, something like that. So yeah, here are 5 more likes, 3 more likes. Okay, yeah, I need 3 more likes. Otherwise, I will say nothing about this price action, nothing. Okay, I'm sorry for those who actually gave me the likes, guys. Please keep patient. Okay, I believe that I'm gonna get at least 20 likes. So please. Okay, thank you. Now I got 20 likes, and I believe that I have to get the like this way. Otherwise, I have no way to get the like. Whatever. Uh, First, I'm here in dollar index. So around the morning session, if you remember, I told that market has taken the liquidity here. This all the market structure shift. This is the entry fair value gap. This is the breakaway gap. I wanted to see market will go higher. If this breakaway gap is broken, then I'll be bearish for dollar index. Otherwise, I'm bullish. I don't care about anything, nothing. Okay, why I am bullish? Just looking for this breakaway gap. You have to watch the weekly analysis video. Please watch that weekly analysis video. You will understand why I was bullish. Okay? So everything I explained in that weekly analysis video this week in Sunday, I guess I have uploaded that. Right now, market came here to that entry level gap. Yeah, weak tap to that breakaway gap high. Then it went higher. This is my order block. I state that order block, it should go through this BPR. Okay, so my expectation is something like that. It will go through this BPR, then maybe it will tap to the high or to the constant encroachment, then it will keep going higher. Okay, this is my this is my thinking. And when I'll be bearish, if this breakaway gap is broken again, okay, that means one body close below this breakaway gap from hourly chart, then I'll be bearish for dollar index. Until then, I'm bullish for dollar index. When I'm bullish for dollar index, I'm bearish for Nasdaq. Okay. Now what Nasdaq has done? See this 50% of that week. This is the constant encroachment of that hourly 50% of that week. Okay. So it is working as a last fair value gap, something like that. Okay? And you can see market actually tapped to this constant encroachment. Nobody closed above the constant encroachment. Market broke. Okay. This is a balanced price range area here. Now it is also at the same level of the new day opening gap. I will keep it, but later maybe I will remove it from my chart. Okay. When market went higher, what it has done? This high, that high. What is that? Clean double top, clean liquidity. This is going to be my draw on liquidity. Now, before this, I had no liquidity until this happened. I had no liquidity, no buy side liquidity, no sell side liquidity, nothing. I was like in a place where I don't have any direction, something like that. Can it happen? It can happen for with me. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but yeah, it happens with me for so long. If I don't have the liquidity, I am directionless. I don't know where market is going. From the higher time frame analysis, I was bearish until this area. I was bearish, okay, and I told that Monday was the accumulation day, Tuesday is the manipulation, so it should be the expansion toward the sell side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity, but toward the this area it should expand today and tomorrow. It doesn't need to reach over here if it can go through all of this area. Now here, this entry fair value gap, last fair value gap is the barricade or the break. Okay, it can tap to this entry fair value gap, then it started to go higher again. So I don't want to see that. Okay, this is all from hourly chart. I want to see market will go through this two fair value gap. At the same time, I will keep looking this dollar index. If market really would love to use that BPR constant encroachment, then would love to go lower, break this breakaway gap, I will start to think market is going to use any of this parabolic gap for bullish run. If it wants to go through all of this area, dollar index has to go through this BPR area, and this is going to happen. So here is two type of situation. How can we trade in that type of situation? I showed you in the morning session how can we trade in that type of situation, but yeah, I will explain that again, don't worry. And guys, I'm extremely sorry, I'm not gonna read your comment right now. I will read them, but give me little more time, because at around 1 the PM session will start, so I would love to finish everything before 1. Now I will be in 15-minute chart, so messy, I'm sorry for that. So in 15-minute chart, thanks to that guy, I don't remember who actually told me about that 15-minute parallel gap. Is that valid? Absolutely, it's valid. Why? Because just look at these two candles. Where did it close? Did it perfectly close this parallel gap? No. There is a small portion of the area is open. There is no body. I don't care about the wick. Just think the body is still open. So until it's open like that way, I'm gonna use this parallel gap. So what happened actually? Now here the constant encroachment, look at the reaction of that constant encroachment, but wick came to that 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, so over here, when it came to that 15-minute fair value gap, then it went lower. Finally, it came until this area. Can it reverse from here? I don't see any reason, anything over here, so that price can reverse from here. Even if it would love to reverse, it has to reach to that 15-minute fair value gap, especially the entry fair value gap from hourly chart. Okay, the reason is price is not clean over here. Look at this price action, look at the long wick. Okay, because of this long wicks, I would love to mark the hourly fair value gap. So until reach any of this level, I'm not looking for any kind of buy, or yeah, though in overall I'm bearish, so I really want to see all of this will be broken. I will change my direction if I see something that this is going to react. Okay, entry fair value gap, plus fair value gap, any of them are reacting, so I will change my direction. At the same time, don't forget this BPR area here, BPR. Okay, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Now it's gonna be little difficult. I told you beforehand that it's gonna be little complicated. Still, I will talk about this. The reason is I promised you that I will give you everything I know. So I believe that I have been talking about the last fair value gap, entry fair value gap for so long now, and it's time to go one step forward. So I added BPR. If you think it's too much for you, don't take this one. Don't take this one. Look over here. You have a fair value gap around that area. If you look for a sell, price has to reach to that fair value gap, then you can sell, right? This is the rules. I told about that. If you think about this BPR, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. I got the buy side inefficient, I mean the buy side has filled over here. Now here is the problem. You see this small portion of the area that is not filled. That means I don't have the buy side liquidity. I need the buy side liquidity around that area. Still I need the buy side liquidity around this portion. What is that portion? That is our new day opening gap. Okay, I have marked it in my 15-minute chart, so I'm not gonna mark it from here. But still I need the buy side run. Okay, buy run toward I mean around here. Until then I will start to look for BPR here. This one will be BPR after that. This portion is still I need the buy run around this area. But here we will see how it react. And as I have this buy side liquidity, I believe that market is going to leave this open like that way. I don't need that buy side, and market is not going to balance this parabolic gap from here. I'm not thinking like that way. I'm just marked it over there and I will use it later, not now. Okay, you know how to balance the price, right? To the low or to the constant encroachment, then it will go lower and it will take the sell side liquidity, it will be balanced. Here, just look over here. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. I got the buy side inefficient. Buy side over there. Is it balanced? Absolutely not. It's not balanced. You have to keep it. Either price has to tap to the top or to the constant encroachment, then it has to take the buy side liquidity, or it has to go through this BPR area, then tap to the low or the constant encroachment, then it has to take the sell side liquidity. After that, it will be balanced. Until then, you have to keep it on your chart. I don't care how many times it will go through this parabolic gap. How many times it will go through this parabolic gap, I don't care. Until when I'll be in 15-minute chart, maybe I didn't remove them. Did I remove? Okay, no, I didn't. BPR. No, I don't have any BPR. But yeah, if I get some example how to balance that BPR, I will give it to you, or you can watch yesterday's tweet or my live. You will see the BPR how it balanced from yesterday's live. Okay. However, from here, market tapped to this 50-minute parabolic gap, then it broke lower. Why it went lower? Look, this low and that low. What was that? Sell side liquidity, right? Clean lows. Do you have any buy side liquidity? You had some buy side liquidity here, this high and that high. They are relatively equal highs, which has taken by that shallow run. That means it was not buy side anymore. It wasn't. It was not buy side anymore. Then price tap to this BPR area, went lower, went higher, went lower again. Is it balanced? Still it's not balanced. I'm gonna keep using this BPR area until I get the rejection either from low or constant encroachment or up or constant encroachment. Until then, I'm gonna keep using this BPR area. It's not balanced yet. Okay. So far price came here, went lower, break through the new day opening gap. I told you that if this new day opening gap hold the price, if it hold the price and send it back toward the buy side liquidity, I'll be bullish. Around that same time, I will see that market went through this breakaway gap. I will be bearish for dollar index and I'll be bullish for Nasdaq. But what happened? Market came here, tried one more time, tried third time, then boom, it went lower. I am going to mark this parabolic gap from 15-minute chart. The reason is, you will understand what is the reason. So I'm gonna mark this 15-minute parabolic gap here. And do I have any 15-minute other parabolic gap? No, I don't have anything. So I'm going to mark that on my chart. I'm going to 1-minute chart. So here, what did I say you? If you look for a sell, you have to start to look for that sell from 15-minute bearish parabolic gap. So there is your 15-minute bearish parabolic gap. Remember here, price came here, gave you the market structure shift here, or if you just mark this one, is it valid? I don't know it's valid or not, but it's more obvious. The either way, this is not a clean run or something. I wouldn't take that entry. It's a huge run. Okay, so I wouldn't take that entry. But in that type of situation, maybe if you get a market structure shift over here, parabolic gap, immediate reaction, you will take that entry. In this type of situation, what I actually do, when I get the market structure shift, I take one contract entry, then I wait to price retrace to the parabolic gap for the immediate reaction. I add one more. If I get the immediate reaction, I add one more. If I don't get the immediate reaction, I hold that one contract only. Then if I get stopped out, I'm happy with that. Okay, so this type of situation actually happened over here. Now here, if you remember, I took, now I would love to execution here. Now when price tap to this BPR area, okay, let me mark it. It's from 15-minute chart. Now what happened? When price tap to this BPR area, I took sell. Okay, I told that I'm little late because I was just watching maybe the imminent or something. I was late and I got stopped out over here. I got stopped out. After stopping me out, market went lower one more time below this BPR. The same thing happened over here. I took the same sell over there. I didn't wait to tap over there. When it closed just below this BPR, I took my sell. The reason is, either way, if it would love to balance this one, when it went through this one, it should tap to the high or to the constant encroachment, then it should go higher. But what it has done, it went through this BPR area. When this candle just closed, I was in the market. Just closed, I was in the market. Just before the closing, I guess maybe 1 or 2 seconds left. That time I took my sell over there. I was thinking, if market can tap one more time to the BPR, I'm gonna add one more. But it didn't tap over there. Instead of that, it went lower. What is this? This is my breaker block. Why this is the breaker block? Market structure shift, fair value gap trade, market went lower. Is that entry? I think so. Just let me remember why I marked that breaker block. Why I marked that on as a breaker block? Yeah, market structure. Don't know. It's not a perfect market structure shift, but still it's a market structure shift. Fair value gap. It trade that fair value gap. There is no order block, so I was thinking this whole candle as a order block. There was something else over here. I don't want to make it complicated, but what I have seen over here, this consecutive, you see this consecutive line of this bullish candle, the low of that bull candle, price trade that bull candle low, consecutive order block low. I saw that on, okay, and then market went lower. From 15-minute chart, I was thinking from 15-minute chart, it tapped to this 15-minute fair value gap. That means fair value gap traded, market went lower, trade retrade the order block went lower. That should be unfilled. That area should be unfilled. It's little complicated, I mean, but still it's the breaker block. You don't need to look for this type of complicated things. I'm just gonna explain it, okay? Just going to explain it, because here you can see I just marked the body, not the wick, nothing. I just marked the body because it's kind of experience, okay? I can't just transfer it but whatever, let me explain it the way I was thinking. Market came here, this low, that low, and that low. All of them are relatively equal lows. From 15-minute chart, I have this sell side liquidity. Remember, from 15-minute chart. And from 1-minute chart, I have this sell side liquidity. Market went through this parabolic gap unfilled area. It closed perfectly to that unfilled area. When it has closed that unfilled area, high, low, higher high, this lowest down close body close candle is going to be breaker. Now if you confused about this candle, you can go for that candle. In my open eye, I can see this one is the lowest down close candle, but if you want the, I mean, if you think this is the lowest down close body close candle, then obviously there is nothing wrong to mark this candle as your breaker over here. In, yeah, I guess let me mark it perfectly. Okay, this is the lowest down close body close candle, not that one. I am extremely sorry for that as well. But over there, I was just seeing that this one is the lowest down close body close candle, because both of them are at the same level. But if I mark this one, perfect breaker one, you will see the mohawk over here. Just one candle close little above of that breaker block, and it just fall. Okay, this is the breaker block over there. Around the same time, it went through this BPR area, balanced price range area. Now it's not balanced yet, as I told you, it's not balanced yet. I added one more, come back again this area. I wanted to see this unfilled, but it closed that one. And I told you I have lot of things over here. These candles, I mean this week 50%. I mean, man, it's extremely important. This constant encroachment is extremely important. Why and how? I don't know, but I can feel it when I see it on the market. Okay, I'm extremely sorry, I'm unable to explain it, but when I see this type of situation, though it's very rare, but still, when I see this type of situation, I know this constant encroachment is extremely important. Now, over here, if you compare with all of these things, this constant encroachment is the extremely important thing for me. Now I will show it to you, don't worry. Here, that unfilled area, I was thinking that unfilled area, but later it has used as a BPR. So I'm gonna mark it as my BPR. That area is the BPR area. Breaker block, inversion fair value gap. This is the inversion fair value gap. Okay, this one, inversion fair value gap, 15-minute BPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 barricades. My stop loss was above this BPR. I don't remember where exactly. So I added one more over here. I just thought this unfilled area is not going to fill, but it filled actually, and market went little higher. Then it has taken this sell side liquidity. I took a partial over there and I let the rest run until this liquidity, sell side liquidity over here. Now, if you look this area as I mean from the BPR area from 1 minute chart, okay, if you look that BPR area from 1 minute chart, how can you use this BPR area? Just look, went through this BPR, trade the constant and crossband, went lower, take the liquidity. This one went through this buy side liquidity, got everything is perfectly filled. The buy side absolutely filled, went through this BPR one more time, come back again to the constant and crossband, boom. That was my thinking over here as well, but sometimes this type of things happens. Okay, now if I take my entry over here, maybe that area, okay, my stop loss should have above this high, above that swing high. Okay, so I put my stop loss over there, but I got a stop out. It keep happening, brother, it keep happening. So here I got a 17 handle loss, just a 17 handle loss. Okay, then I took re-entry from BPR to until that sell side liquidity, 63 handle. Now if you if you count 17 handle and 63 handle, you will understand which one is better. Why I'm bearish? Again, you have to understand, I mean, you have to see my weekly analysis video or something like that. So I'm going to remove all of this thing from my chart because I don't think so it's important anymore. So I'm gonna, oh, by the way, I would love to show you the CE. Just a second. Let me remove this breaker block, inversion fair value gap. I'll keep it because it's not balanced yet. Now over here, look at this CE. First time it went through the CE, went through that CE, okay, tap to that CE, went higher, went through the CE one more time, tap to that CE, went lower. Just look at this CE's reaction. Okay, now I know it's random for some of you, but it's perfectly good for me. One fake breakout, one fake breakout. After fake breakout, market went through this, started to use this CE as a support. After one fake breakout, market went through this, started to use this CE as a resistance. Just the same thing happened over here, same thing happened over there. Just the same thing. Not two-time fake breakout, not two-time fake breakout, nothing. Exactly the same thing. Now, I don't know what do you think about this, but it's important for me. Okay. So you are seeing this as a bull run. I'm not seeing this as a bull run. I'm just seeing this as a bear run. Okay. So over here, it came to the BPR area. So I'm not thinking that this is going to be balanced price range because of that small area. See this small area from 15-minute chart, new day opening gap. Still, I need the buy side run over there. But I will use this BPR as my sell setup. For example, if I get a market structure shift over here, I'm gonna take a sell. I don't care about anything. I am going to take a sell over there. If I get a loss, I'll be happy to take that loss. But it's logical for me. I'm gonna go with my logic. All I need a market structure shift over there and fair value. Now it doesn't mean I'm inviting you to take that entry. Okay, I'm not inviting you to take that entry. My expectation is it should work. If I get the market structure shift, it should work. If it didn't give me the setup, I'm not going to take the entry. Simple. After taking the entry, for example, maybe I took an entry here. Maybe I got an opportunity and my stop loss is above this high. For example, it's going to be a 15 handle loss. I'm ready to take that 15 handle loss because I'm confident about this one. Yeah, I believe that sometimes this thing can happen. 17-20 handle I can take loss, but I know I'm going to get a huge profit here. I took near about here. So what was my 12 and 23? So near about 11 handle, okay, something like that. 11 handle. I took 11 handle loss, and then I took 33 to 9. That means uh, mm, how much? 24 handle. Yeah, I got 11 handle loss for 12 handle. Sorry, 22 handle profit. I'm happy with that. If you see until here, little more. I can take this type of loss, but I am able to take this type of run as well. Yeah, I took a loss over here, but I am able to take this profit as well. What is the difference between here? It's all about, I don't care, don't think about the partial, okay, pyramid entry. Just forget about the pyramid entry. Just think one contract. Here I took one contract, here I took one contract. Just think like that way. One contract, if you think like that way, yeah, I got 10 handle loss, I got 20 handle profit. I got 17 handle loss, I got 63 handle profit. If my 10 handle loss is kind of 20, just think about $20. It's just a $20 loss, okay. I mean, just not 20, think about 50, okay. Five handle, I'm just trading through my micro, because I am unable, I'm just doing the 50K combine or something like that, so I'm using micro contract. If I get a 20 handle loss, it's gonna be $100. Okay, so one on handle is $5. It's gonna be $100 loss. I took a $100 loss for $300 profit. Sometimes it happens. I don't need to be right every single time. I don't need it. And nobody is going to be right every single of time. Nobody. So everything here is about the loss. When you are going to take a loss, how much you are going to take it? If it is a huge loss, you are unable to take that huge run. Just you are unable to take that huge run, to be honest, man. But if you get small stop loss, okay, so for example, just you are using 150K 150K combine, and you took two contract. So two contract means $40. Take $20 loss, 20 handle loss. So 40 into 20, that means $800. You took a $800 loss. You got 63 handle. 63. For example, just think 60 handle, okay? 60 handle into 40, $2,400. Isn't it good? I think it's good. But over here, you are using 150K combine, and you take five handle, okay? Sorry, five contract. So 20 handle into five contract. That means near about $2,000 loss. After taking a $2,000 loss, you will be afraid to push your button over there. If you ask me where was the real setup around this area, when market went lower, went higher one more time, gave you the market structure shift here. This is the market structure shift. There was the fair value gap, immediate reaction to that fair value gap. That was my entry for 22 YT model or something like that. My stop loss will be above here. This will be my target. This sell side liquidity will be my target. Now it's 1:79, sorry, 1:1.79, and I know that still this is, it is what it is, okay. I just can put my stop loss over here. In that type of situation, my stop loss, sorry, risk to reward ratio would be 1:2.5, but here you can't put it, okay. I am very bad of putting my, sorry, trailing my stop loss. I trail my stop loss too fast. But over here you should put your stop loss over there around that area. If you remember, there was the inversion fair value gap, lot of thing was over there, breaker, something like that. So if you see, this was the perfect setup to the morning session. If you believe that market is going to fall, if you don't believe it, I showed you how to take the buy. Okay, I marked that one. I told you that if you really would love to take the buy, you can mark this type of setup, though it wasn't valid because it was just before 9:30, so it is not a valid setup. Still, if you would love to take this type of setup, you can take this type of setup. You can use the BPR. Look how BPR is working. How BPR is working. How BPR is working. Okay. So yeah, everything I'm just showing you for your understanding. So It's up to you. What do you want to I mean use? Okay. Uh, what did you say? Jack T for people who think to trade top step X. Now 1 min is equal 10 micros. It's a great update. So you can now trade up to 20 macros in 50k XFA. Before it was only 2. So I guess Jack T it's only for top step X because I am unable to trade the 10 micros to my 50k account. I'm unable to do that in trading view. Okay, not trading view, actually in trade of it, not in top step X. Okay, so I think it's an opportunity for uh, what happened to me. Okay, why I just forgot the word. I'm just forgetting my word. What? Oh man, I'm just doing mumbling. How many contracts should I use in one 15k account? What is 15k account? No more than one mini contract. No more than one mini contract. Can you please work on your audio? Only talk. Ashare, thank you, brother, for telling me that. But I'm in Bangladesh. I'm unable to do anything. Okay, I rarely manage a laptop because it is good for me. Then I changed two microphone. I bought them from Bangladesh. But yeah, I have to buy a microphone from Amazon, but I'm unable to pay. Okay, so I can't buy a microphone, and from Bangladesh I changed already two microphone. Still the audio is a trouble. Okay, still the audio is trouble. I'm sorry for that. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for that. Audio is fine. The audio is fine in my end. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, even if it's a problem, then I'm sorry. Okay, do you have a video that explain BPR? Absolutely, I have a video that explained the BPR. You have to find it uh from study folder. Okay, I don't know what happened to me. I just lose the words. So when I'm started to talk, I'm losing the word. So I'm doing the mumbling today. I'm extremely sorry. Okay, so brother, I will be able to change my system when I'll be in Portugal, but when I'll be there I don't know, because I didn't manage my accommodation in Portugal still. I'm trying. I have to share my room with some other people. I don't want to share it. Okay, so I'm just staying in Bangladesh. I never share my room with someone else. So when I'll be able to manage my accommodation, maybe I will be in Portugal, then I will change my microphone because I have to order it from Amazon. No, there is no other way. Need a red wine, bro. I don't drink, brother. It's haram. To our, according to our religion. Laptop for me, easy to take anywhere. There is way. Yeah, I just bought a new laptop because before it was buffering. So I had to buy a laptop. you know, when I have started streaming, I'm getting lot of problem. So I have already changed my laptop. I changed my microphone twice. Still, it's a problem. Okay, but before you wouldn't even able to hear me. Right now, maybe you can hear me, but before it was bullshit. It was just bullshit. Okay, so I changed to one microphone. Still, there was some problem. Then I changed another one, and in Bangladesh, it's little hard to find the real one. I mean, I don't want to talk about this, but it's little difficult. Okay, so what to say? I don't know. So I like when you talk about both setups because I was long, need 650 to hit. Okay. By the way, Jack T, if you were here, you told me something about ICT in my Twitter. Can you repeat that? I was outside, so I wasn't able to see Tanja's live. What ICT talked about. Uh, I even didn't clearly read your comment over there. I'm sorry for that, but I was I had to go outside. So I'm extremely sorry for that. But if you can just repeat, what did you say? I mean, ICT was bullish, something like that, or he was bearish as well. You told something, I forgot. I need to feel the market, okay, guys. So I just feel the market like this tool. I'm not a rich like ICT. So ICT told to push one contract, put one contract to feel the market, how it is reacting. But I am unable to do that. So I actually put this thing and I feel the market. So this is how I actually trade. If I feel something good, like for now, I'm looking for a sell, right? So when I'm looking for a sell, if it gave me a precision over here, then I'll be confident to take the sell when I'll get the market structure shift or something like that. I'll be very confident to take the sell. I have to feel the market. Don't think he saw it. Maybe, who knows? Okay, IC told traders on Tanja Live to mark the same sell side liquidity that was your target. Look like he was short. Oh, okay, I got it. Thank you. Okay, let me check it from 15-minute chart. What is happening? Is it really would love to reach over here to that nude opening gap? If it really love to reach over here, then I will start to frame my sell setup from there. At the new day opening gap low is also the constant encroachment of that BPR, though it's not a BPR, still it's the 50% of that fair value gap. So yeah, I will try to frame my trade from that area. Until then, I don't see anything. Can I take that buy? No, I can't take that buy. But it's a very nice market structure shift, very nice immediate reaction. Market is going higher. Why you are not looking for buy from that? Because my bias is bearish. So I will just let this go. I don't care about this run. For example, in the morning session, if you remember, I don't care about this run. This run, I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken, nothing else. Same thing here. I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken. Here is the entry fair value gap from 1 minute chart, last fair value gap. At the same time, it's the 50-minute fair value gap, I guess. So far, I remember there was a 50-minute fair value gap on. Oh, okay, sorry. The 50-minute fair value gap is over here, not that one. Okay, whatever. So we will see if it can reach until that new opening gap, then if it can fall or it keep going higher, we will see that. Okay, Jack T, yes, bro was right. Okay, don't think he saw it. Maybe, who knows? What are you talking about? Overnight levels and London lows he mentioned. Oh, okay. 50% is 650 for 5 minute and 1 minute. Okay, is that area nice MSS I saw and took second one from 610. Congratulations, Zizo. By the way, guys, I have just started the psychological challenge, and the guys who actually sent me the screenshot for that psychological challenge, if I miss any of you, okay, I talked about the psychological challenge, and last week I thought I will start, but because of my busyness, I was unable to start that psychological challenge. So this week, I have already sent the screen, I mean, sorry, the request or the message to some of you. If I miss anyone who sent me the screenshot about their setup and I missed them to invite, please don't forget to send me a message to my Twitter. Okay, just send me a message to my Twitter. I will just take a look. Okay, if I miss any of you, nicely tap to the new opening gap low. Let's see if it can reach lower or not. Okay, in this type of situation, market went through this order block. Still, the mean threshold of that order block is important. Okay, so here, let's see if it can reverse from the mean threshold or not. If it is broken, the mean threshold is broken, I'm going to be neutral. Here, market just tap to the low of that new day opening gap. Like over here, I want to see something like this. Tap to the high of the new day opening gap. Boom. Now it tapped to the opening gap low, new day opening gap low. Now if it can go lower or not, that's the main part to see. What happened to daily fair value gap? This candle low, that candle high, something like that, or this daily fair value gap? Which one you are talking about, brother? Here, this one. If you are looking for this one, it's cool. I mean, I don't need the daily fair value gap over here. The reason is from daily fair value gap, I can't frame a trade from 1 minute chart. It's nearly impossible, brother. So I have to look from 50-minute chart at least, and I'm gonna remove this execution. I'm going to remove this thing from my chart. I would love to make it simple. Messy, so let me check from hourly chart. And from hourly chart, I'd love to mark this fair value gap. Okay, the constant encroachment of this hourly fair value gap and the BPR constant encroachment are at the same level, so I don't need to mark the hourly fair value gap. Why hourly fair value gap? The reason is from 15-minute chart is messy. Absolutely, it's messy. If anyone tell me that it's not messy, I don't agree with them because of the week. Look at the weeks, how beautiful the weeks are. So it tap to this hourly fair value gap. It reached until the constant encroachment of the hourly fair value gap. Let's see if it can fall right now or not. If I get a lower market structure shift, fair value gap immediate reaction, I'm gonna take sell. I mentioned before NVDA is very key for NQ stock. I watch it and take some entries on NQ, which is helpful for me. Congratulations, brother. Deusul, both brother. Yeah, I see market actually reach until that bearish daily fair value gap and the bullish daily fair value gap as well. But as I'm bearish, so I don't care about the bullish daily fair value gap, but I care about the bearish daily fair value gap. That is also the entry fair value gap, so far I remember. Let me check again one more time. Yeah, this is the entry fair value gap from daily chart. This is the last fair value gap from daily chart. So it reached to that entry fair value gap. Now I will see if it can fall or not. Can I look for a buy? Absolutely, I can look for a buy, but for looking, I mean, for taking a buy, market has to go above this new day opening gap. If it can reach above the new day opening gap, I will start to look for a buy because I have this clean buy side liquidity. See, this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. I mean, from hourly chart, you will see this is clean buy side liquidity from hourly chart. Okay, so I will look for a buy if market can go through this new day opening gap. If market fail to go through this new day opening gap, I'm not looking for buy. At the same time, look at over here, for dollar index, it reached until the min threshold of that order block. I would love to see it will go higher now. Okay, if it go below this min threshold of that order block, then there is much more possibility market will go for the sell side liquidity. It reached until this last fair look up from 1 minute chart. I'm gonna mark it. Should I trade? No, I don't need to trade, man. I don't need to trade now. I have already got to perfect win from today. So should I trade one more time? I don't need it. Still, I'm trying to frame something so that it is easier for you to understand when and how you should look for entry. Now over here, all I'm seeing this, just remember in Wednesday's price action. Sorry, this is actually the Wednesday's price action. This is the Wednesday's price action. Okay, every single time market is going higher, it is going higher to take the liquidity. So over here, it is going higher to take the liquidity. Just look over here. First, it went higher, right? To take all of this liquidity, then boom, went higher, boom. It is going higher to take the liquidity. It should boom again. Okay, so I'm thinking like that way. And this nature is happen only in Wednesday and Thursday. When I'll be bullish, if market can close from 15-minute chart above this new day opening gap, then I'll be bullish. At the same time, I have to see the dollar index close to below the min threshold. This type of situation, I'll be bullish. Otherwise, I'm not bullish for Nasdaq. I'm sorry. If you are bullish, you please go for any kind of setup. Take buy, no problem. I'm not interested. And guys, please give me some likes. Make it at least 50, please. I don't know. You are looking for bear run and market is going higher, so we are not going to give you any like. Thank you. Can I take a sell here? No, I can't. Until market closed below this line, below this new day opening gap low, I can't take a sell. If something happened like this, okay, market has made a low here, then went higher, gave me market structure shift, maybe the fair value gap is around this area. In that type of situation, I can take a sell over there, market will go lower. But first, market has to close below this new day opening gap low. It has to close below that line for the confirmation. Okay, okay, let it run. I need to drink some water. I'm just coming back. Peter, are you there? Oh, by the way, guys, the t-shirt things I will do it maybe tomorrow. I'm sorry for that. I was really so busy and I don't know what to say. Okay, and yeah, I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay, extremely sorry. I'm just coming back. By the way, if there is anyone who is new to my channel, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel. At least you can make it 5490 for today. Okay, 5490, it's not a bad number. You can make it 5490. Peter, you are here, man. Why didn't you sleep, man? Just go and sleep, brother. Is this swing low is valid for shifting market structure? Now, if you force the market, it's valid. Okay, by the rules is valid. It's not a swing low. Look, this low is not a swing low. If one candle can close around that area, if one candle can close around that area, then this will be the swing low. Until now, just look, all of this high and low, they are at the same level, right? This is sideways. So if you see the sideways candle, it's not a swing low. If you get a big run, you can force market to give you the market structure shift, but it's not market structure shift. This swing low is not a perfect swing low, it's just a low. Okay, only 3:30 a.m. Oh really, man? Only 3:30 a.m. Where is your wife? She doesn't tell you anything? I mean, the guys from Australia, it's late night for you, right? So you should sleep. I came here to explain the morning sessions and the price action right now because I saw market is going higher. So I knew that some of you started to think, okay, now market is reversing. But I came only to show you that, or I'm not telling you that this is going to happen, but I'm just here to explain the price action from for Wednesday and Thursday. This retracement is very natural for Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, so I'm not telling you that it's retracement. It can be the reversal, but until now I'm seeing this as a retracement. Look over here, the dollar index trade the mean threshold is going higher. Still, it is going higher to make a setup around that area, I believe. Okay, so if it can make a setup around that area, then it will go lower and you will get it. Okay, don't worry, you will get it. You will see it. Nope, I'm the king. Okay, king. Welcome to here, brother. Have a great day, everyone. Gotta go sleep. See you. See you tomorrow, brother. See you, Deo. See you tomorrow, brother. Nope. Okay. Good night, brother. Yeah. Thank you, Ryan. Ryan, thanks for that, man. Thanks for that. Really, thanks for that. If it keep going higher, what I will do? I will do nothing. Like the way it went higher, and I told that I'm not interested to take any kind of buy. I'm not interested. So here the same feeling. If it keep going higher, I'm not interested until market close above this new day opening gap. If it can close new day opening gap and this dollar index went lower, at least below this mean threshold, then I'll be interested to take, maybe to take buy. Otherwise I'm not interested, and it has to break from 15-minute chart. Okay, so from here it has to break the new day opening gap from 15-minute chart. Until then I'm not interested for anything. Again, if it's up to you, if you really would love to take buy and if you see a nice setup, please go for that. Just don't blame me. Okay, welcome to Australia. Okay, money glitch. I'm long in this move from breaker. Narrative is equal highs on ES and Dow. Congratulations, brother. Then you got that move. All I'm trying to tell you is, if I'm bearish, I'm not interested for the long run. If I'm bullish, then I'm interested for long run. That's all. That's all I'm trying to tell you. Can I see something over here? Absolutely, I can see something. You can see something, right? This setup or everything you can see as well. Like right now it is trading this 50%, I mean this fair value gap, then it will go higher maybe. I'm not interested. If I'm wrong about my bias or about my direction, what I'm going to lose? Just some setup. If I'm right, market really would love to go lower, I will get a lot of things. So that's all my trading style. I mean, not my trading style, but that was my style when I begin this trading. Okay, I started to trade. That was my style, and but when I started like that way, that is the first time when I found the consistent profitability. But until then, when I take sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, trust me, some days were so good, I earned a lot of money. Some days are just blow my account, something like that. Just blow my account. So if you think that no, by taking buy and sell, you are profitable. If you are profitable, the way you are trading, don't change it. But if you are not profitable yet, just yet until now you are not profitable, please stop taking buy and sell from one day. Don't do that. Be strict until one direction is made up. When it is met, maybe then you can change your direction. Like for example, over here, what did I say? I will look for a buy if and only if market can close above this new day opening gap from 15 minutes chart. Then maybe I will start to look for some kind of buy. Until then, I'm not interested to take any kind of buy. I'm seeing all of these things, just liquidity taken. Market has taken the liquidity. That's all I'm seeing. I'm not gonna change my bias. If market really would love to go higher, look at the range from this buy side liquidity to here, 114 handle. I don't need 114 handle. I'll be happy with 30 handle only. So from here to here, just this run. I will take that run. I'm happy for that. Simple. Okay, guys, I'm just coming back. I need to drink some water. Okay. Can you check the 11:15 minute? Yeah, what happened over there, brother? Balanced presence from 15 minute chart. Let me check from 1 minute chart. Okay, it was not toward my direction. If it was toward my direction, I would be able to take that entry. It is not toward my direction, so I'm not able to take that entry. Okay, if it is toward my direction, I would love to take that entry depending on that bpr bpr area. We're exactly in the middle of the day, and the daily candle perfect doji. That's perfect, man. Ugh. Right now I have this buy side liquidity only. I don't have any sell side liquidity. And yeah, I'll see how it reacts. It closed above the new day opening gap. Let me check the hourly. Market has taken the liquidity. Market structure shift toward the buy side. Yeah, I have the buy side liquidity or buy side. Market came to this 50-minute fair value gap, the area. It should expand higher. It's consolidating around that area for dollar index. No direction. If this candle can close over here from hourly chart, then this is going to be the bpr, a perfect bpr. Basically I should look for the buy now because market closed above this daily fair value gap, sorry, daily new day opening gap. And now if it can just come lower, take some liquidity, give me another buy setup, I could go for that right now. As per rule, it break the new day opening gap. Still this breaker block is holding the price. Some kind of two type of situation where I'm confused where market really would love to go. Dollar is still indicating the higher run. Okay, dollar is still indicating that it would love to go higher. When dollar would love to go higher, it should fall. It tapped to the new day opening gap high. Okay, every sell is highly risky over here. Every sell is highly risky over here. It just tapped to the high of the new day opening gap, like over here. Just look this one and that one. It's highly risky. If market really would love to go little lower, has to break the new day opening gap high first. Please look 6 15-minute fair value gap BPR holding price, I believe 6 15-minute fair value gap. This is also the last fair value gap. I have the breaker block around that area. Yeah, I have the breaker block, so I will keep it. Okay, the breaker block, I will keep it. Guys, don't push your button. Okay, I need to fill the market. There is no other way to fill the market without that tool. Breaker block might oppose little in the intention is to go higher, then you might see lower rejection from support. I didn't understand your comment, brother. Oh, my trading. Okay, it's broken. I need to kill it. What did you say? 4 hour is bearish? Absolutely, you are wrong. In my opinion, it's not bearish at all. It just went lower. Take the liquid. That's all. Just look from daily chart. You will understand everything from daily chart. Went higher, went lower, went higher. Tap to the constant encroachment of the daily fair value gap. Absolutely perfect constant encroachment. It should expand higher now. Absolutely perfect from daily chart. Now from hourly chart, you can see it left lot of buy side liquidity there, went lower to take the sell side liquidity. It should keep going higher. If really it wanted to go lower, it should have made a fair value gap around that area. It didn't make any fair value gap around that area. Now from hourly chart, you can see market has taken all of this liquidity. All of this liquidity has taken market structure shift, first fair value gap or the entry fair value gap, breakaway gap. Let's tap to this entry fair value gap, also tap to the breakaway gap, went higher. This is the order block. Let's tap to this order block. This is the min threshold. Nobody closed below the min threshold yet. Also, it tapped the daily fair value gap high. It should expand higher. Expect this BPR is holding the price. I will see. And either way, I don't have any opportunity to take buy. you can see market never take the sell side liquidity. After this thing, market never take the sell side liquidity. So it's one way run. Never ever take entry in this type of one way run. You are seeing this for just 2 days now. Just 2 days you are seeing this one way run. Most of the time you are not going to see this one way run. Remember everything, okay? Narrative, don't forget about the narrative. Don't forget about everything, okay? So please don't think it's going to do that what you are thinking. I believe so. Now please don't push the button with me because there is no setup yet. And here this entry is highly risky, so I don't want you to lose some money. If you think that this 10 handle is nothing for you, maybe you are trading through your micro, then you can take this type of entry. And over here I put my stop loss in a very tight way, okay, very tight way. So it's up to you. If you really able to take that 10 handle loss, go for that. Otherwise don't push your button, wait for the setup. You know already how to look for the setup. Market structure shift, fair value gap, take the entry. Please, it's for your caution, okay? I don't want to take the blame. And you can see it's a huge bullish run. I can be absolutely wrong, but over here I am just taking just 10 handle loss, okay? So please be careful about that. Hmm. Again guys, I am not going to read you because what I see, that I see, okay? Even if I'm wrong, I don't want to change my thinking. I'm kind of stubborn. So please, all up to you. I have already show you the risk disclaimer. I'm not gonna take any kind of responsibility for your loss or for your win. Absolutely low fun. It's absolutely bullish. I can be stopped out. I will be stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. I don't know. Yeah, I got stopped out, but still I see something. I took my entry. I thought this parallel gap will hold the price. I put my stop loss too tight. Still I will take another sell. When I will get another opportunity, I will take another sell. But I'm not seeing anything for the bullish until now. No, no bullish for me. I'm still bearish. Your SL is my target profit. Thank you. Rocks 9206 Gambler. Why you are here then, brother? Just leave it. Leave it. I will love to see you to leave my stream, man. Leave it, man. Why you don't give me another chance to pyramid? Just to see how he blows. Sure, man. Sure, sure. Just wait. How I blow? Just wait, man. Oh man. Go search penguins in Australia. Don't say him. Don't say anything to him. Don't say anything to him, please. It's his choice. Okay. Everyone has their opinion. Every single one has their opinion. So please let him tell whatever he wants to tell, whatever he wanted to tell. Just let him tell. Okay. Don't say anything to him. What you are going to do, Rocks, you are not going to push your button with me, okay? Because I'm a gambler. So please don't push your button with me. That's my request. If you do that, then I will get hurt. Otherwise, it's okay. Whatever your thinking is, you can tell me. Hey, blow what he has more than. Oh man, what was my loss? Let me check. What was my loss? $220 was my loss, right? If I close my trade right now, can I mitigate my loss? Is it mitigated? If I close my trade right now, exactly over here, is it mitigated? I think so. I think so. Thank him for the liquidity. Yeah, absolutely. Thank me for the. Oh man, I wanna see her win so bad so that these guys can know who is the boss here. What are you talking about, Gupta? I didn't compare myself with anyone. I'm a gambler. Okay, I'm gambling. I agree with him. So if anyone is not interested to gamble, just leave me. That's all, brother. That's all. That's all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I was gambling. Sorry. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, I told you that I have a very bad habit of precision. It stopped me for just for one tick. It stopped me just for one tick. I'm extremely sorry for that. I have a very bad habit of precision. I didn't want to see market will go above that constant encroachment. Okay, so I just leave one two tick, just one or two tick above that constant encroachment. That's why I got stopped out over here. When it closed below this BPR area one more time, I I took a re-entry over there. But whatever. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you guys for writing that boom. Thank you, man. Oh man. Where should you put your stop loss? When I took my sell over there, where exactly should I put my stop loss? Every single one of you know where you should put your stop loss. Above that high. Just above that high. That should be your stop loss. Man, I love precision. That's why I put my stop loss. Just I covered that constant encroachment. I just covered that constant encroachment. It punished me, okay? Because I didn't want to see the constant encroachment will be broken. It didn't broke, but it just stopped me out. It happened with me, okay? I'm sorry. The Wizard of Nas strikes again. Oh man. I am unable to write it down the BPR because it's a very small. So yeah, it is what it is. Can I take a buy here? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. If you see this candle close above this new day opening gap, you are bullish. Now, if this candle can close above this new day opening gap high, you are bullish. Still now, look over here. What is happening around that area? Remember, this is the mean threshold of that breaker block, order block. What do you see over here? What is the direction of this guy toward the bull? What happened over there? Breaker block, holding the price, send it back. What is my expectation right now? Market will close below this fair value gap. See this fair value gap? Market is going to close below that fair value. That's my expectation. Is it a clean price action? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's not a clean price action. Brother, there is a bullish fair value gap. Why don't you give, I mean, why don't you care about that bullish fair value gap? I told you, when I'm in a direction, I don't see the fake fair value gap. I don't see them. When you note them for me, I see them. Otherwise, I don't even notice that there was a bullish fair value gap. I don't know. There was a guy who told me that there is a bullish fair value gap. Yeah, it divert me sometimes. I'm not blaming you guys, but it divert me. Okay, I get little confused. But still, when I'm bearish, I don't see this type of fair value gap. I don't see them. Is there any setup for us? No, you don't have any setup over there. Nothing at all, except the BPR. Except that BPR, you don't have anything. Why you pushed your button? Remember here, I fill the market by putting this thing here. I fill the market one more time. When I get the precision from the last fair value gap, breakaway gap, this this little BPR, it it gave me the confidence market is falling. So I took myself. Okay, where is that guy? Rocks 9206. I'm happy for you, but for me is not sure entry again after loss. Rocks, it's depend person to person. Okay, Rocks, I'm not blaming you for anything, brother. It's your opinion. You can go for that. Okay, brother. Here I know why I took my loss. This sell, why I got stopped out, I know that. Exactly, I know that. I love precision. I should have put my stop loss above that high. I didn't do that. So it's not like I'm not seeing this as my loss. Okay, I how to explain this? I mean, brother, maybe you are new to my channel. That's why you know. I mean, I have some bad habit. For example, trailing my stop loss too fast, putting my stop loss to the precise way, exactly to the precise way. What is the real thing? Where should you put your stop loss? Above that height. If I would put my stop loss above that height, what do you think? That was my loss? No. I'm confident about that run. I'm extremely confident about that run. It's done? No, it's not done. It will keep going lower. Why? Because of the narrative. If you know the narrative, you will be confident about that run. And I'm not telling this just getting right after one time. I told about this buy run. At the morning session, I showed this buy run. I took sell. I didn't enter in this buy run. Here I took sell. I got stopped out here. I took sell. I'm selling because that's my expectation. Is it done? No, it's not done. It should keep going lower. How far? Until this fair value gap. If it fail to reach over here, it can feel reach over here. I don't need it to come here. But that's my direction. Until this fair value gap is my direction. Okay. So brother, I mean, my advice is just don't comment. Okay, don't judge a guy. I'm not gambling. If I was gambling, then I would buy over there. I would buy over there. Okay, if I were gambling, I know what is the meaning of gambling. I did gamble in my life lot of time, brother. The Wizard of Nasa. Okay, but by the way, thanks to all for that boom, man. I love that word. Thank you so much. Okay, why is that guy who told me that your stop loss is my target? I need to see read his name. Who was that? I don't know. I just lose his name. Oh man, it's falling. It's falling. It's falling. Ah, this is the fun, man. This is the fun. Sometimes you will get a perfect. Let me check the eminence fee. I'm sorry. Let me check it. Market structure shift. No fair value gap actually. So yeah, no precise action over there. Sometimes it happens, man. Right now the price is not so good. Okay, so we don't get the precise price action right now. So I'm not expecting some precision over here. So I have to force the market to give the entry. And I told you that if you want to take that entry, you will be able to take that entry. 10 handle loss. If you are able, you can take that entry, right? Every single time I told you, please don't take entry. What did I tell you over there? I was confident about this. So I told you, if you want to take, if you think that okay, that small loss is not going to hurt you, take that entry. I'm overconfident about that run. Is it done? No, it's not done. Still, it's not done. This fair value gap, can I take entry over there? Highly risky, but yeah, you can. Highly risky, but yeah, still you can. Until this, still you can. Okay. Okay, no rocks short. what what happened? Rocks. I mean, he's a new guy. Okay, so don't tell him anything else. Okay, he told that he wasn't sure about that sale. So yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'm sorry. Where did I put my stop loss? I have to cover this area. I have to cover that area. If my stop loss, okay, I covered that area. No problem. It can reach until that low of that fair value gap. Otherwise, it will keep falling. Is it valid? I mean, 15 handle. If you trade micro, I mean, just one contract, micro, one contract, go for that, man. Please go for that. I'm telling you, go for that, okay? Because it will be just $30 loss. Target this relatively equal lows. See this lows. Target this relatively equal lows. If you take a loss, you are going to take just $30 loss, okay? So please, no entry is perfect. No entry is sure. Remember that, okay? That's why I told you, please don't take entries. Why this is valid? Market went higher. All of the liquidity has taken. This is the perfect market structure shift. A perfect market structure shift. First fair value gap, last fair value gap. Took the entry to the first fair value gap. Go for the sell side liquidity. Why market should go lower? Because today's narrative, man. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday narrative. Don't forget about the narrative. Market should close below this low. If it failed to close below this low, then you are in a great danger. We like what you are doing. If you also like what you are doing, please ignore those people who give all of us negative. Okay, man. No, he was just telling that he wasn't sure to take sell after taking a loss. That's all, okay? If you guys like tell like that way, nobody will stay over here. Nobody. Simply nobody will stay over here. I guess he just unsubscribed me. Yeah, I guess so. What I have done over here, just covered that fair value gap. I just covered that fair value gap, nothing else. This is the breakaway gap, and I would love to take my entry to that fair value gap. Is this perfect? Is this valid? In my opinion, perfect. Okay, in my opinion, that's perfect. Why? Market break closed that new day opening gap. So go to your 15-minute chart. Look how beautifully it closed that new day opening gap one more time. So there was an inefficient area for this BPR. This BPR, that is that inefficient has filled over there, I guess, from hourly chart. Yeah, inefficiency filled over there perfectly. Look dollar index, what it is doing. Let me mark the mean threshold. MTAs. How mean threshold reacted over there? How it has reacted over there? Just look at them, okay? If you ask me, I don't want to see market will close above that high. I don't want to see market will close above that high. Can it close above that high? Absolutely it can. I don't want to see that. That's all. Peter, okay, I'm going to bed. Bye all. See you, Peter. Thanks, Tito. No problem. Leave the kid alone. Lol. Okay, if this trade goes right, I will donate 100 euro. Oh man, no, I don't need your, money, man. But I don't want to challenge anyone. Okay, it's kind of like challenging. So please, I don't like that challenging factor. I would love to see it will work. If it doesn't work, I'm happy with that. But don't put me into that type of situation where if it works, I'm gonna get what to say? Some money, and when it is not going to work, I'm going to get some bad something like that. No, I don't like that. Please. So it has taken that high perfectly. I didn't want to see that. Tap to the new day opening gap low. Look, it has tapped to that new day opening gap low. It should go lower now. It can wait until 2:30. Okay, it can wait until 2:30. That means 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes it can be consolidated before expanding lower. Okay, not expanding higher, before expanding lower. Gupta, why you lie? What did you say? The other day I saw Rox's comment on Michael's stream. Bro was judging him as well. Okay, just let him go. Let it finish. Okay, let it finish. How far it can reach until the constant encroachment of that fair value gap. Remember, this is the breakaway gap. So market can reach until that constant encroachment of that fair value gap. If this candle can close below that line, then this is going to be my order block. If it can close below that line, then this is going to be the order block. Okay, but it has to close below that line first. Otherwise, not it's not a order block. Okay, it will go high the in the day. Can be, brother, it can be. There is nothing wrong with that. It can be, absolutely it can. I don't want to see that. That's all. First it has to close below that line. That's all I want to see right now. By the way, Tanja said that she thinks today's high may be the high of the week. I don't care about Tanja. I don't see any precision from her. Okay, I'm sorry for to tell that, but I don't like her. The style she read the price action, I don't like at all. Okay, I mean it's not. I don't like it. If you talk about some other YouTuber like Arjo or someone, they're the genius. Okay, like Jet Capital or something, they're the genius, they're the boss. Okay, but Tanja, I don't like at all, at all. I'm sorry to say that, but yeah, I don't like her. The way she read the price, I don't like it. It can do this type of things until 2:30. Okay, until 2:30, it can keep doing this. Just look how this entry favorable gap is working. Okay, this entry favorable gap is just holding the price. I believe market has taken the buy side liquidity there. All I need to see is a candle close below that line. That's all I want to see. Ugly PA until 2:30, I believe, brother. Just let it come until 2:30. Then either it will stop me out or it will hit my target profit. Okay. So so far it's cool for me. I am seeing the good thing right now until now because the entry favorable gap is holding the price. It's a good sign for me until now. Okay. Let's see. And also the new day opening gap low. Look how beautifully it's holding the price. The new day opening gap low. It's cool for me. Okay. Until now. Brother Titu is Tanja is pronounced as Tanya. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, Tanya. Yeah, sorry. Yes, last day someone told me that. So, I mean, no hate, nothing. I just don't like her. Like her, the way she read the price. Okay, I just don't like it. That's all. Okay, no hate or nothing. Everyone has their own taste. Like some of you don't doesn't like the way I read the price. Some of you like it, right? So everyone has their own taste. So I don't like. I just don't like it. That's all. Now, if this candle can close here, this is going to be my order block. So I'm just gonna mark it, but it will be valid if market can close below this. It will be valid, okay? Here, here. I would love to see body close below that line. That's all I want to see. If it can close below that line, I will be overconfident that market is coming here to take this sell side liquidity. Okay. All I want to see market will close below this line. Just 1 minute left. I believe the very next candle will go lower. It will break everything. Okay, the very next candle. That's my thinking. I'm not telling it's going to happen. It can happen, or maybe it won't happen. That was 20 handle. Man, for 20 handle, some people call themselves the real market wizard by taking just 10 handle, 5 handle. Still, it's 20 handle. Already you got 20 handle, man. Give me some respect, man. Give me some likes. All I want you likes, man. Nothing else. I want to see a body close below that line. If the body doesn't close below this, it's not good at all. Okay. All I want to see a body close. It will body it. It will body it Tanya any day. Okay, was that? What does it mean, brother? Bodied. Agree, her price action reading is not nearer to how T2 reads. No, 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 man. I'm not comparing myself. I know nothing about the price action. Okay, everything is gambling. I'm just gambling. To be honest, man, I know nothing about the price action. Anything. I just told you that I don't like the way she read. That's all. I mean, I didn't compare myself with her. She is obviously the best. There is near about 2,000 people is watching her. I mean, always watch her live. Okay, 2,000 people, and here I have 139 people, and still you can see I get 75 likes. So I have no way to compare myself with her. No way. She is obviously the best. I just told that I don't like. That's all. Okay. You just need like. I give you my respect. Yeah, man. I just need likes. Nothing else. To be honest, I need nothing else. My stop loss will be to the break even now. Okay. If I were trading, my stop loss would be to the break even now. Maybe I would take some partial when it tapped to the low of that BPR area. I would take some partial and I would put my stop loss to the break even. If I don't have any opportunity to take the partial, I will put my stop loss to the break even and I will let it run until my sell sell liquid. That's all. Okay. This parallel gap should not be broken. I don't know you can see it or not. See this? It should not be broken. Now over here you can see I actually targeted from here to here 46 handle. Okay, you don't need 46 handle, you don't need it. Trust me, man, you don't need it. Where market is coming here. Okay, she's not the wizard. May Allah bless you, bro. I mean brother, I mean thanks for that praying, but please don't get me wrong. I didn't compare myself with Tanya because she's the best. Okay, she's one of the best. The huge portion of the people are watching her now. Okay, so obviously she's the best. I'm not comparing her and I'm not jealous or something like that. All I told you that I just don't like the way she read the price. I don't see any precision, I don't say anything. She just in my opinion she just forced market to give her the entry. That's all. I just see that. Okay, still ICT always stay uh in her stream, in her comment. So yeah, body to murder. Oh man, no, I'm not a killer. I'm not going to kill her. It's not good at all. Not at all. This reversal is not good at all. This is the last line of the bracket. Market should not close this parallel gap. The last line. Let me check the 15-minute chart. Yeah, that's the last line. That should not be broken. Still, you are safe, right? Even if you take that entry, you are safe. Even if you didn't take the partial, look over here. It's a huge run, man. 39 handle. It's a huge run. Take some partial, put the stop loss to the break even. If you don't have the opportunity to take the partial, then keep it, like hold it, but put your stop loss to the break even. Don't care about anything. You have to put your stop loss to the break even. Even if it hit your stop loss, don't care. Okay? I mean, I don't know. Okay? Janti loves. Enough of Tanya. Let's focus on learning. Is she reject you? Oh, Ali Mehdi. Now you are getting it personal. She doesn't know me. Nobody knows about me except some of you guys. Nobody knows about me. Okay, so yeah, I never tried her, but if I tried, there's no one in this world who can reject me. I'm that kind of person. I never get the rejection. Failure is not written in my luck until now. Alhamdulillah, I never fail. About the love, yeah, I loved someone. We had a relationship for 4 years. Then she broke up. I let her go. I loved her, so I let her go. Otherwise, she wouldn't be able to leave me. She wouldn't be able to do that. Imagine ICT in your comment section one day. That will be the best day in my life because I learned it from ICT. And if he's in my comment section, that would be the best day in my life. Okay, I think you read price well, Tito. Thank you, thank you. Lol, bro, what is this drama? I don't know what happened. I don't know, brother. I don't know. Target profit, sell liquidity 1233. Okay, Dong ICT trading. What is that? 1233. I don't know. In my opinion, I saw this relatively equal loss from 1 minute chart, so I just marked it as my liquidity. But actually, market is coming here around this fair value gap. Market is coming to that fair value gap. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Market is too bad today. I love you. Don't let me go. I love you too, Ahmed Mustafa. Thanks for loving me, man. Only pain can make us stronger. Tito is the example. Thank you. Do you believe in the prophet of ICT? Do you believe in the prophet of ICT? If you change the word prophet, it would be easier for me to answer. If you just change the word prophet, okay? If you keep, I mean, just keep that prophet word, I don't want to comment over there, okay? What should we learn from ICT concepts to become pro? 22 YT mentorship. There's 41 videos, just watch those. It's enough to be profitable. What the hell is the prophet of ICT? Okay, just let it go. Okay, this comment, just let it go. I don't like to use that word. I am Muslim, so it's a religion issue. Please stop that controversial word. Okay, no problem. No. If I missed anyone's comment, I'm extremely sorry because I'm just watching the market, and sometimes I'm just watching your comment. So if I missed anyone's comment, I'm extremely sorry. Okay. Look over here what happened to dollar index. This is just a reaction from monthly fair value gap low. Okay, that's why market is just hesitating where it would love to go. It is hesitating because it is trading the monthly fair value gap low, a very 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 strong level. Same time, this guy is just being confused. What should I do? Should I go lower? Should I go higher? Because dollar index is not sure where what it has to do. It is at the level of this monthly fair value gap. When it will break that, it will understand that I have to go higher to take that liquidity, obvious liquidity. It will be over sure. Dollar is going higher. I have to go low. I have to go low. Okay. Again, can it go higher? Absolutely, it can go higher. I am not against all of you guys. I mean, just let me mark it. If you were a pretty girl, ICT would be in your chat as well, lol. No, Big Uzi, that's not the matter. Okay, ICT cleared that. Tanja looks like her daughter. Sorry, his daughter. So ICT promotes Tanya. The reason is she looks like ICT's daughter. Okay, that's the reason. चिटू भाई आप तो हटके हो. चिटू भाई आप तो हटके हो. हटके मीन्स हटके मतलब क्या होता है भाई? हटके मतलब मुझे नहीं पता. आई एम हिंदू. Okay, no, there is no problem. I just mean that that word is not appropriate. Okay, I believe in the profits of ICT. Lol. I believe in the profit of ICT as well, brother. I believe in it. The consonant constant of that week and the favorable gap high are at the same level. So let's see if it can expand lower or not. Okay. Hardkey means different. Oh, okay. Hardkey means different. Okay. Hardkey means special. Okay. No, Michael is a naughty boy. He likes Tanya, wants to impress her. No, he's not. Tanya looks like his daughter. That's all, brother. Oh man, you guys are just awesome. This is a sheet price action. Look at this consolidation over here. Huge consolidation. Now we knew that there is 230, so we can get the acceleration around 230. Right now, the next acceleration will be happen around 3. So until 3, it is going to consolidate like that way. I don't want to see that. I don't like that. Okay, I really don't like it. To just take an entry and hold it for so long. I don't like it, to be honest. Let me tell you, bro, I love you. PM readings. You didn't love the AM reading, brother? Leonardo Miguel, you didn't like the AM reading, man? I hate you, man. How much time it took you to become profitable? It's not going to be the same for you. Okay, Noob Gaming, for thanks for that question. But it's not going to be the same for you. The reason is when I have learned this concept, there was no one to answer my question. But I'm here to answer your question. So it's absolutely different for you and for me. If it takes 5 years for me to learn this concept, and if you are with someone who is actually going to clear your doubts, it's gonna take maybe 6 months to learn this concept. Okay, so it's absolutely different. You can't compare with yourself with someone else. Let me, okay. Facebook earnings at 4:05 p.m. We are not going to trade around that area. I mean, when market will take this sell side liquidity, I'll be done for today. I mean, I am not going to read any other price action. Nothing at all. I'll be done, okay? So, see the reaction from this monthly fair value gap. I hate that reaction. The reaction, look at this reaction. This fair value gap, I want to be unfilled. I want this fair value gap to be unfilled. Really, I wanted to see that unfilled. Still now I'm seeing this as a fake breakout. One candle close above this fair value gap, the very next candle come back again below this fair value gap. So it's kind of fake breakout for me. I don't want to see another candle close above that fair value gap. All I want to see expansion now toward the sell side liquidity. In this type of situation, I would love to see one body close below this line. That's all I would love to see. Can it go higher? Absolutely, it can go higher. All I don't want to see one body close above that fair value gap. That's all I don't want to see. It's waiting for earnings. It's a pattern, by the way. Because she have the biggest double top. I'm telling you, that's why market is choppy. Okay, it's a pattern, by the way. Okay, it's not good at all. This candle close above this fair value gap, not good at all. Very bad. It's gonna boom to my stop loss maybe, but it is what it is. Dun, 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 dun. Oh man, you were wrong. It didn't hit your target, so you were wrong. I know, I know. Good night, bro. See you tomorrow. See you, brother. It's waiting for the earnings. It can be waiting for the earnings, but I'm seeing this. It's warning, waiting for the macro. 250 to 310 macro. It's just waiting for that 250 to 310 macro. That's all I'm seeing. Bro, nowadays you are afraid to take entry. Why? Okay, I guess Ali Mehdi, you are not with me in my Twitter. If you were with me in my Twitter, you didn't ask me that question. Last week, I get I was judged by a lot of people. I was judged, okay, where I told that last week I'm not interested at all because market is going to be very rude. What I knew beforehand and it happened, still people judged me a lot, okay? So last week was just disaster for me because of your comment or something, and now I'm really afraid of lot of things, okay? A lot of things, man, to be honest. ICT trading concept. Yes, brother, Leonardo Miguel, tell me. Tomorrow London stream? I don't know. I don't know. No, tomorrow? No, no. Tomorrow, what is tomorrow? Thursday. Uh, not sure. Not sure. हिंदी फिल्म देखते हो? Uh, okay, brother, I understand Hindi, but actually it's difficult for me to talk in Hindi. Okay, let me find the word. हिंदी फिल्म देखते हो? कभी कभी देखता हूँ. Okay, don't laugh because I don't know the difference between the gender. I mean the female and the देखता हूँ or देखती हूँ. I don't understand that. Yeah, I love the Hindi film. I'm the mood to sleep 4 hours and go trade on the morning. I need company. I don't know, brother. You need me to trade? You will lose everything, man. I'm a gambler. You will lose everything if you take me with your as your company. Guys, 124 people are now watching. Can you make 100 likes for me? Now I pushed my button. Trust me, man. I pushed my button over there. Yeah, I took a small loss. Then I get a huge profit. Okay. So I pushed my button over there. I outlined that trade. I told that you can take this entry. Okay. I told that you can take this entry. Trust me, man. Where I told you, please don't take this entry. Please don't take this entry. But here I told that please take that entry. So I deserve some likes, man. More than 100 people are now watching. Can you please make it 100 likes? I just asked for the likes, nothing else. And it's free of cost, man. Trust me, it's free of cost. It's not going to take any money. I am not interested to take your money, man. At all. T2, at any city you live in Bangladesh. I live in Bagherhat, okay, Khulna, Bagherhat. It's the southern part of Bangladesh, just beside the Bay of Bengal and the mangrove forest. So I live in there, okay. I just live in beside the Royal Bengal tiger, okay. Bro, your Hindi is not bad, lol. Okay, uh, tomorrow I will put on the red. Okay, why you? Why tomorrow is tomorrow special? Why you wanna put it into red? You watch Hindi movie in Bengali dubbing? No, 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 no. I watch Hindi movie in Hindi dubbed. I understand Hindi. I mean, not everything, but 90% of the word I understand. because from my childhood I am watching Hindi movie. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan is my favorite hero from Bollywood, and from Hollywood, Leonardo DiCaprio. He is my favorite actor. Okay, bro. See you tomorrow, inshallah. If you will be live, masalam. Yeah. If I am not dead, we will see you tomorrow, brother. Okay. Oh man. The stop loss should be here now. That should be the stop loss. I have a very bad habit of trailing my stop loss. If I were trading, I would put my stop loss over there. I have a very, very, very bad habit of trailing my stop loss. Bro, this is chat or trade stream. Bro, this is chat or trade stream. Now, John, yeah, I just outlined that trade, and you see this is consolidation. So I have nothing to do. That's why I'm just reading your chat. And if you are with me for long, you know that when I talk about the price action, I even don't see your comment. Okay. So if it hurts, I'm extremely sorry, man. I'm just talking rubbish or reading your comments. The reason is I have nothing to do here. Just look at this price action. I have nothing to do. I know where market is going. Here, the setup happened over there. Everything I outlined over there. So when I see something, I'm just marking them. I'm talking about them. And rest of the time, what I have to do, I have to either keep quiet or I have to read your comments. That's all. I have nothing else to do, right? This is the 50-minute order, 5-minute order block. I would love to see market is going to break that order block. That's all I want to see. Especially I want to see a body close below that line. That's all I want to see. This fair value gap should be broken. If body failed to close below that low, it's a very bad sign. Very, very, very bad sign. Like for something, just go below that line and closed here. It's a very bad sign. That means market has taken the liquidity. I don't want to see it has taken the liquidity. I would love to see market will close below this line and finally it will hit this and target my target profit. Okay, don't forget about this parallel gap here. Okay, don't forget about this parallel gap. I just target the low of that parallel gap. Okay, it's highly risky. The best option is to target the high of that parallel gap. Yeah, I have targeted that low. It's because my belief is market is coming over here. Okay, so yeah, that's all. You're lucky to living in nature. Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for that. Jack T, both sing and one Bengali song. I'm not a singer, man. Yeah, sometimes I sing, it's true, but I'm not a singer, okay? I don't want to say body will close above that line. If it close above that line, it's not good at all. I would love to put my stop loss over here now, okay, around that area. Look how it has taken the liquidity. That's the thing I didn't want to see. Exactly, I was afraid of that scenario. Just look, okay, that is the overview. I was afraid of this scenario. And it's falling. Everything is bad now. But still, if you just mark it from here to here, 42 handle. Okay, now if it didn't hit my target profit for just 4 handle and you judge me, I'm sorry. When he's trade, bro, forget he's streaming. Oh man. His favorite song is "Loving You." Is the yeah? It's like yeah. Sometimes I sing that song. Sometimes okay. Loving You is a losing game. What is this pink box? 1 minute fair value gap over here. See the reaction from that fair value gap. This is that fair value gap. So basically the target should be the high of that fair value gap. Okay, that should be the target, but I went the extreme low, because I believe that market will reach over here. That's my belief. Okay, let's see if it can expand higher or not. That is my stop loss, remember, this is my stop loss now, because I'm trading by one, just for example, I'm trading by one contract, so I don't want to close my trade here, so I trail my stop loss. Okay, so either I have trail my stop loss, or I have to close my stop loss, I mean trade when it reach to that last fair value gap. I have to close it. So this is two type of situation. If I don't want to close it and I would love to hold it until here, I have to trail my stop loss. There's no other way. Okay, bro, you have trading view subscription? No, I don't have, brother. Actually, I am using the trade of it. I mean trade of it. I just log in and then I came here. It's working, and thanks to, I guess, Ryan or Sebastian. I don't remember his name. He actually told me that it can work like that way. So I don't have that. I tried it, and maybe tomorrow I will get the subscription. Okay, so maybe tomorrow. I actually asked for that to my brother. He is in Portugal, so yeah, maybe tomorrow he will buy the subscription for me. We more subs. By the way, how many subscribers did I get? 5486. Not bad. Not bad. We're going to get the acceleration within 3 minutes. Okay, within 3 minutes we are going to get the acceleration or expansion. ICT is married, dude. Yeah, ICT is married. Yeah, he has uh two son and one daughter. Okay, he's married. Okay, guys, I need to drink some water again because I'm really so thirsty. So far, this is my sell side liquidity. If it hits, write it down, boom. If it doesn't hit, also write it down, boom. Okay, I love that word. I mean that word. I believe that I deserve that word until here, from that area. So until from that area to here, I believe that I deserve that word. So self, don't be so selfish. Okay, give me that word if it can hit. Okay, to macro water. Money glitch. Why? What is why, man? What's the meaning of Ami Je Tomar lyrics of song Mere Dhalna San? What is the meaning of Ami Je Tomar? I'm yours. Ami Je Tomar means I am yours. Of song Mere Dhalna San. I don't know that song, but yeah, Ami Je Tomar means I am yours. Okay, I'm just coming. Okay, I just need drink drink some water. I'm just coming back. Now I need that guy. Okay, missed by one tick. Okay, so I am not going to get it. Don't worry, brother. I'm gonna take it. I'm just joking. Okay, don't think that. Okay, now Tito is asking for money. No, I'm not asking for money, man. I'm just kidding. No, it hit my target. It hit my target. Look at this line. Okay, 17607.25. But the low of this thing, let me show it to you. The price 17607.50. 17607.50. Just look at this line. 17607.50. Now look over here, this low over here. Okay, just look over here, 17607.50. See, it hit my target, man. Oh man, no, it hit my target. Okay, if anyone is complaining, it hit my target. That was my target, exactly same to same, 17607.50. And the low of that candle is, look over here, here, 17607.50. I don't need it to take it, but still it hit. Okay, it's hit. I'll write it down. Boom. Now I need that guy. Please send me that 100 euro, man. Oh man, it hit. Yeah, when it hit. Bro, use voice changer to change your voice to female. Might will come. Uh, Now it hit over here. It hit here. If you have still confused, it has hit my social liquidity. Okay. Oh, that was just a fun. Okay, don't take it seriously. I was just doing fun, man. I sell from 17752, 17752, maybe here. Where did you sell? 752. How can I sell from there? Market wasn't there. I don't know, brother, what you are talking about. Maybe we have a very different price action. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. See you, brother. Roman Rodriguez. See you tomorrow, brother. Bro, can you please do a review or reapplication of the day? I was bearish whole the day, and every single time market went higher, I have seen that as a liquidity taken. Okay. So first over here, market went higher. I have seen that as a liquidity taken, then fall. When market was going higher, I told that market is just going higher to take the liquidity. Finally, it reached to that breaker block, then it fall. Until this entry favorable gap, it should keep falling. I mean, that's my target. Okay, that's my intention. Now, if it failed to reach over here today, don't blame me, brother. You are wrong. Don't tell me that. Okay, I don't need to see that market reach over here. I just want to I want to expect it that it will reach over here. Today is Wednesday, and basically the Wednesday price action is something like that. It will take the buy side liquidity, then it will lower, take some buy side liquidity, take lower. It will go and take some buy side liquidity, lower, something like this. This is the way Wednesday and Thursday works. Okay, so here the same thing. uh, here. So market went higher, went lower, went higher, it should went lower. Okay, so that should be the thinking. Again, guys, when market was going higher, maybe I missed a lot of buy setup, but when market went lower, from 1 minute chart, I took entry over there. You don't need to take entry over there. You can take entry over here. This is a perfect setup. You can take your entry around that area. You don't need to take it until that low. You don't need it. This can be your target. So if you take your entry to that red line from here to that red line to until that fair value gap, 27 handle, more than enough. Do I care? Market is going higher. Do I care? I don't care, brother. Even if it come here now, I don't care. This is how I trade. Okay, this is how I trade. By the way, thank you to all. Thanks to all to write down boom word. Okay, thanks to all to write it down. There is the membership link. If anyone just wanna join, you can join. Okay, that's all. We were there in the morning. What happened? What happened in the morning, Jack T, brother? Brother already liked, but again, don't give me another like, then it will be disliked. Okay, the sell side is at 17,560. 17,560. I don't know where you are talking about. Maybe you are talking about here. Here, it can be. I don't know, brother. But for me, this was the sell side liquidity. Exactly. If you want to ask me where was the sell side liquidity, that was my sell side liquidity. Exactly. If you want, exactly. See this swing low, this too low. That was my liquidity. Over here, we are done. This low, I don't care about that. If this low is not taken, that would be a best formation of the buy setup. Oh man, now market is going higher. Market is going higher. You missed that run. I really don't care about that. For the bro who sell at 17,752. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I got it now. Brother, please make video on dealing range when you get time. Preet, at the morning session, someone asked me about the dealing range. Now, brother, I don't trade depending on the dealing range. Okay, I don't see the market according to the dealing range. Now, if you are interested about the dealing range, you can watch ICT's last stream. I don't know my English you understand or not. Just watch ICT's last stream, YouTube stream, live stream. Over there, he explained the dealing range. Okay, so I believe that if you watch that, it will be clear to you. Now, if you ask me, yeah, obviously I can make them. I know what is dealing range, how to mark the dealing range, but it's not precise for me. Okay, that's why I don't like optimal trade entry because I don't understand the dealing range perfectly. It's my lackings. Okay, so what I can say, brother, for the dollar index, I have uploaded a video to my YouTube channel, weekly analysis. Okay, just watch that video, you will understand about the dollar index. Over here, see this daily fair value gap. I told that if market can close below this fair value gap, daily fair value gap from daily chart, then I will be bearish for dollar index until this area. Otherwise, I'm bullish for dollar index. So you see this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. At the same time, this high has taken by that high. It's a obvious liquidity. This high is my obvious liquidity level. I'm expecting market will reach over there. Finally, it will go through this volume balance. It will take that buy side liquidity. That's my expectation until this daily fair value gap is holding the price. If it fails to hold the price, it will reach over here, but it has to be broken from daily chart. In short, that's the thing. Okay, uh, Gupta, Trump fan club. Musk say Tesla is not car, but it's AI company. Okay, hold on. Apple is software company. Then Mark Zuckerberg say Meta is a VR based product. Nvidia is shocked after Musk idea and one AI chips in Tesla. What does that mean? Why are people asking about dealing range when T2 does not use it for his trading setup? Makes no sense to me, lol. Uh, nah, no comment. But yeah, to be honest, I don't trade depending on the dealing range. Okay. But if you are interested, you can watch his video. Uh, Preet, okay, brother. Thanks for today. No problem, Alan. I want to stay some more time, or I can close my trade for today. Right? It's enough for today. So far, I took lot of losses. $455 loss first, then took two profit, then $920 loss, then got this two profit, then $220 loss, then got 500 profit. I mean, it's a huge day. I don't trade like this way, to be honest, but I would be stopped when I got this run. I'm done. That means first I took a loss, then I got this profit. So you can see $500 profit, something like that. I'm done for that day. If I'm over jealous, then I would go for this one. But this one, I am not interested. The last one, I didn't push my button. Now, if you say that, brother, you were very afraid to pushing your button, no man, I wasn't afraid to push my button at all. Where I told you to push your button, I never tell you to push your button, okay? But here, I told that push your button to that entry, even that entry. I told you to push your button because that was a confirmed thing for me. And yeah, that's all. I'm seeing this as a order block retest. Market reach here to retest the order block. That's all. I'm seeing like that way. Are you bullish? Now this is the last hour. Market can go little higher, but most probably it will keep sloppy or something. At the same time, look at this BPR area. Market closed below this BPR. Reach until that constant encroachment. It should fall again. Okay, it should fall again. That's all. Are you looking for buy? No, absolutely not. I'm not looking for buy. But brother, it's a very nice market structure shift. Maybe if I have a look at entry, market is going higher. I'm sorry, I'm not looking for buy until this new day opening gap is not broken. Even after breaking this new day opening gap, I would love to see how it react to that breaker block. Why I was confident to take sell over there. Just look at the reaction from the constant encroachment of that breaker block. Just look at this thing. First it reached until the end of this breaker block, but where the body closed. Look over here until here. That's why I was confident to take sell. Boom, BPR area, boom, boom, went little higher, gave you market structure sheet, first favorable gap or anti-favorable gap, breakaway gap. Tap to this first favorable gap, boom, went higher. How far to that BPR area? Though it's broken, trade the last favorable gap around that area. See this last favorable gap, boom, take the sell side liquidity, went higher, take all of this liquidity, trade that order block. It should keep going lower now. Something like no fair value gap will be respected. Something like this, okay? No fair value gap will be respected. Something like that. I would love to see this type of things from here. If it happens, you will see that. I mean, here you see fair value gap was tested. Fair value gap was tested over there. But here, if it would love to go lower, no fair value gap should be tested over there. That's my thinking, okay? My expectation. Don't judge me. In every level, I can't be right. It's all about my experience. I have seen this, so I am telling you this. It can happen, but it is going to happen or not, nobody knows that. I don't know the future. Thanks for today. Thank you. My quota is in Intraday, but it is indeed 17752. The school man, the school, the Chinese guy, the school man. I mean, you are the best. You took that huge run, man. It was huge. Near about 150 handle. Near about 150 handle. Even if you take just one contract, it's gonna be $3,000. Can I ask you something? I mean, is there any credit to me? I mean, did I influence you anyway, or it was your analysis or something? I mean, nothing helped you from here. I need to know that. Okay, just asking. Got it. Thanks. No problem, Gupta. Tito, are you will start doing live PM session like today in future? I don't think so, brother. I came just to explain the price action because I saw market is going higher. So some of you will start to think now down move has done, market is now going higher. You will think like that way. That is the only reason I came here to trade around the PM session. Okay. Now I don't like to catch the top. Really, I don't like to catch the top over here. I don't like to catch the top. Okay, but today I did something wrong. I'm telling you, brother, I never go for this type of entry. I went today because of some comment. Okay, but that comment actually was awesome. Okay, that awesome comment. I love to take this entry. And PM session, I don't know. Tito, how you journal your trades? Right now I don't. I quit journaling my trade for so long now. Okay, for so long means near about one year. Not 1 year actually, 8 to 9 months. I don't journal. But previously I had lot of journal to my laptop. If you watch my previous video, like the BPR video, you will see that I used my journal. By the way, this is my favorite song. This one is my favorite song. Man, it's just awesome, awesome. On their few channel. If you come to my playlist, from playlist, if you go to my study folder, and if you watch the balanced price range video, okay, the balanced price range BPR video, or if you see the breakaway gap video, you will see that I have used my journal screenshot over there the way I actually used to journal. So you will see those screenshot I explained over there. You will get them from there. Okay, so right now I'm talking about the balanced price range, which I have already explained here by this video. Balanced price range BPR for sure entry, ICT trading concept simplified BPR. Trust me, man, it's absolutely different with other people. You will never get this type of information from any other people. Okay, but this is my experience, my analysis, my everything. Don't judge me, don't compare it. That's all. If you don't like it, just leave it. If you like it, try to use it or backtest it. If you get confidence, go for that. If you don't get confidence, like here I pushed my button, depending on that, here I pushed my button depending on that BPR, here I pushed my button depending on that BPR. I mean, yesterday I also pushed a lot of button depending on that BPR. So it's all up to you. If you want, you can take it. If you don't want, just let it go. Okay, got it, bro. Thank you. No problem. Hey, Stephen, how are you, brother? FX T2 is equal T2 is equal trading terminator. Oh man, that's just awesome. Trading terminator. Jack T, is the candle of 1442 a breaker block if we were bullish? 1442. This one. Let me check. See this candle. Just look at this candle over here. This is the breaker block. If you were bullish, this is the breaker block. Now here can be little different with you and me. Why? You can see low, high, lower low. In that type of situation, absolutely, perfectly the best breaker block over here around that area. I would love to break this little more, okay? So if you see this low, high, lower low, then this is going to be your breaker block. And if you ask me, then I will see this low, high, lower low. So I'm gonna remove it. If I were bullish, the highest up close body close candle, it's going to be my breaker block. When this candle closed above this breaker, just think I'm bullish, okay? I'm bullish. This candle closed above this breaker block, tap to this breaker block, I'm already in the market. Here, I'm already in the market. My stop loss will be just cover the mohawk, and maybe this relatively equal highs will be my target. And here, that would be my target. Okay, you can see I'm absolutely wrong. Market is going higher. I was thinking that market will fall. There was no setup, so I didn't take any loss, right? It is going higher. I'm absolutely wrong. If you wanna judge me, you can judge me. It's up to you, man. I don't need to catch this run, then that run, then this run. I don't need it, and I believe that nobody can do it. Okay, Jack T, if it's clear or not, brother, it would be my breaker block. But here, it's not wrong. Absolutely, it's right. The reason is market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap trade, market went higher. This is the breaker block. Sorry, order block. Price trade that order block went higher. After trading the order block, this is the first fair value gap that should be unfilled. It has been filled over here. When it has been filled over here, you will start to look for the breaker block if you are bullish. Then every single time low, high, lower low. When market will close above that highest up close body close candle, this is going to be your breaker block. Here you can see a small breaker block around that area. Low, high, lower low. The highest up close body close candle is going to be my breaker block. Here, this one. So this candle closed above that breaker block, it's valid as a breaker block. If I was bullish, I would push my button over there perfectly. I would click my button over there. And the thing I was expecting over here, let me explain it. That was the run. See this run? Look at this run. No fair value gap tested. This thing happened, okay? When markets complete its setup, come back again to that area, retested that order block. Look, it retested the order block around that area. After retest the order block, boom. Just look, no fair value gap has been tested. So I was bullish, bearish. That's why I was expecting this move toward the downside. Okay, I was expecting that. But is it clear, guys? I mean, yeah, I'm wrong about my direction, but look at the run. No fair value gap tested. Come here, no fair value gap is tested until it take the some kind of buy side liquidity. So that is the thing. Okay. Kanguva already released Bengal. Okay. Where are you busy these days? I am little bit worried. I think you go to watch your ex in Perth. No, I don't go to see her. She is in her job in capital in Dhaka city. I am in Khulna city. We have no way to meet. She was here for 3 days, but now she is in Dhaka. We don't have any opportunity to meet. And no, I'm busy with my household work actually. Look like he fall in love. I didn't fall. I fall in love long time ago, brother. Isn't this the same as journaling? You streaming, and I think it's the best because you can always go back and rewatch. It's not bad. Yeah, it's a good idea, brother. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can do that. It's not a good. It's not a bad idea. It's a good idea. Yeah, Mary Oino. You're new to my channel, brother. Mary Oino, and I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. You can say I'm extremely wrong over here, and yeah, I'm wrong. But it's okay. I don't need to be right every single time. I don't need to be right. I don't feel like that, okay? When you see song and movies recommendations in Tito's YouTube, not other traders, that's how you know he's real. Oh man, what was that? Yeah, I don't see others streaming except the Top Step TV. The reason is Top Step TV sometimes they release the free reset, so I watch sometimes. Otherwise, I'm not interested any other streamers or their videos. I am only the fan of ICT. I told you that I never watch others' video. Some days ago, I used to watch some others' video because I tried to learn how to talk in streaming. It didn't help me, so it didn't help me. Okay, I am okay with my way. The way I'm just talking, I'm okay with my way, and yeah, if somebody doesn't like it, they will leave me alone. But to be honest, today I'm very happy because my target was for 5490. Yeah, I missed it for one tick or one guy. Still, I'm very happy. I got at least 8 9. Okay, so that's all, brother. If you gain something new today, consider joining to the YouTube live streaming support members and coffee appreciation. Thank you, Stephen. My brother and mentor, I'm good. Thanks, man. Sometimes come back to my stream, man. I know you guys are now good. You are the best, but still, don't forget me. Okay, so sometimes just give a peek over here. I love to see your names. It's clear, but a bit late. The price already take off when you answer. I'm sorry for that, Jack T. I wasn't looking for buy, so I didn't pay attention to that breaker block or something like that. But you know how to mark the breaker block, right? So you can mark them like that way. If you think that market is going higher, yeah, obviously you can mark the breaker block like that way. Jack T. I'm sorry for that, Jack. Lol. Aman Mustafa. Okay. Dhirendanu, can you explain again why you only marked upper unfilled fair value gap but last fair value gap was below? Dhirendanu, please watch my video. I have already uploaded in my YouTube channel as a breaker block video. Please watch that video. You will get that to the study folder. If you come to the study folder, see here is the breaker block. Where is the breaker block? I had the breaker block. Oh, here. The breaker block. See? Just watch that video. Everything will be understood. This breaker block video. Please watch that video. If there is anyone here who didn't subscribe but watching me from the starting of the PM session, you can subscribe, okay, brother? Then it will be for 5490. At least I will hit my target. ICT stream is enough to learn talking also lol. ICT talks too much. ICT talks too much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, please, guys. Thanks, Stephen. Don't be sorry, I'm joking. Just saw it and wanted to know if I'm right. You are absolutely right, Jack T. I mean, this breaker block in higher way, it's absolutely perfect. But I would love to mark this one, okay? That's all. I mean, that's the difference. But yeah, absolutely, you are right. Nargis Akhtar, what are you doing here? তুই ঘুমাস না কেন? 1:30 বাজে ঘুমাস না কেন? ঘুমা ফাউল একটা 12টা পর্যন্ত ঘুমায় থাকবা মাসুম ঘুমায় না বান্দর মেয়ে Jesuik, watch all his videos become a wizard too. Okay. By the way, guys, I use that market wizard word for fun, okay? It's not real or something. I am not a market wizard or I'm nothing, okay? I just use that word for fun, just for fun, okay? Don't be shy, you are amazing person, and from what I see about your type of teaching, everything good. Thank you, Lomar. Thanks for that compliment, man. Thank you so much. Man, Lomar, use the penguin, man. I love that penguin. And you will be able to send me the penguin, I believe so. Okay, huh. তাড়াতাড়ি ঘুমায় যা। ফাউল একটা বান্দর মাইয়ে। Thank you guys for giving me the likes. I got 109 likes. It's huge. Thank you, Rahul, for reminding the guys to give me the like. Yeah, all I want just the like. I know I talk too much, but yeah, I just ask for the like. That's all. Okay, guys, I don't think so that I have anything else to give today. And just don't forget to let me know how do you feel about the BPR, what I have just added. Please don't forget about the last fair value gap, first fair value gap, entry fair value gap. Don't forget about them. I'm not using them because I just can't use every single thing in one day. I just can't do it. Okay, so please don't forget to last fair value gap, entry fair value gap, all of them. Please don't forget them. Okay, and yeah, please don't take this entry. Please don't take this entry. Okay, I just want to feel the market. So I'm asking you not to take this entry. I don't want to see that this is going to work. I don't want to see that. Okay, please don't take this entry. We are after 3:30. Please nobody push your button. At least not here. Thank you, Lomar. I love that penguin, man. You are the whiz. Okay, okay, guys. Look like it's a family take. She was my sister. She's just awake. It's 1:30 midnight, and she's not slept yet. I mean, she didn't sleep yet. I told her to sleep, to go to sleep. That's all. Okay. Is there anyone who is not my subscriber? Anyone? Just let me know that if there is a single person who didn't subscribe to my channel. I can see 93 people. Oh, by the way, we have a news around 405, right? So yeah, I will stay. I will stay until that 405. I would love to see how it works. I mean, there is a huge news maybe. I would love to see. Bro is being humble. Has the wizard? He's the wizard. I'm not the wizard, man. I just use that word for fun, just for fun, nothing else. Do you trade gold online, bro? No, brother. No gold. Sometimes, I mean, 3 to 4 months ago, I trade gold online for 3 to 4 days only. All of those markets are highly manipulated. Why you guys are interested to trade forex, gold? Why you guys are interested? Okay, one more guy just unsubscribed. I hate you. Whoever unsubscribed, I hate you, man. I hate you. Oh, Ahmed Mustafa, me. Okay. Jadani, how are you, brother? Why you are bearish? Why I'm bearish? I don't know, brother. I'm just gambling over here right now. Nothing else. You're late, Jadani. Actually, the thing is, you are late, brother. I mean, you have to start from the beginning. Then you will understand why I'm bearish. Okay? It's a huge discussion why I'm bearish. Now, at the end of the day, I don't want to explain them. Now, I hate you all, okay? Whoever is unsubscribing to my channel, I'm going to hate you, okay? Never come back, okay? Never come back. That I was just joking, brother. Okay. I'm bearish because there was certain reason. I explained that, but if I start to explain that, it will take at least 30 minutes. So I don't want to repeat them. If you have the opportunity, then please watch the video. I mean, the first part of PM session and the first part of the N session. You'll understand, okay? Bro, how is Forex manipulated except the broker? The broker manipulation is the main manipulation, brother. I mean, the market is not centralized. When it's not centralized, then it's manipulated. And when the broker knows where is your stop loss, they're going to stop you out. That's simple. This is the gentleman market. The indices market is the gentleman market. There is no manipulation. I mean, no manipulation by human being or the broker. So you should trade this market, not that market. We will go back to Forex again, but when it will be okay. Okay, I mean, like until 2020, Forex was the best market. There was the volatility, there was everything. They didn't need to do the manipulation by themselves, okay? Because people would be stopped out by the manipulation. I mean, they would be manipulated by the volatility. But after 2020, there is no volatility. I mean, yeah, you can see the volatility, but it's not the volatility. It's the volatility maximum happening by the broker because there is no volatility. That's why we people are trading indices. We will go back to Forex again, but it has to be okay first. Okay? No, I was here, but I wasn't from the beginning. Okay, Jarani, you have to watch the first part. Okay, I explained why I'm bearish to my first part. So yeah, sorry, brother, but please, can I be bullish from the last daily fair value gap? Thank you. It needs more lot of thing, brother. I mean, if you don't watch that on, I mean that first part, you won't understand when you should look for that buy. Okay, you need the confirmation. When you will get the confirmation, you can go for the buy. Otherwise, you can't go for the buy. Next, भैया ask people doesn't like me, sister. That's why there's not a lot of people. By the way, it's PM session, so small people, a small group of people. It's okay. I'm not famous like Tanya. That's why. But yeah, don't worry. Go to sleep, sister. Go to sleep. I'm happy what I have with that. What is your broker? I don't trade through broker. I trade through prop firm, and that is Tradeovate. I mean, sorry, not Tradeovate. Top Step. I trade through Top Step prop firm. Okay. Guys, there is my Twitter link. If anyone is interested to join me in my Twitter, you can join me through that link. Okay. What's the best broker for low spread? I don't know, brother. I don't know. I have no idea. But most of the people actually trade through what is that? One, I guess. I love that two guy who actually subscribed to my channel and make it 5489 subscriber. I love you guys. I love you. Just need one more guy. Just one more guy to make it to hit my target. To ride the boom. 5490 was my target for today as a subscriber target. I am just left one tick. I'll be shifting to indices soon after some time. Congratulations, brother, for getting the for doing the right thing. I mean for choosing the right option. Can we be bullish because of that last daily fair value gap? No, we can't. We can't be, brother. There is a lot of things that should be aligned all together. Money glitch. News time, please. I think 405 is the news time. I don't know. Can anyone knows what is the news time? Thank you. Okay, news time, please chat. Yeah, can anyone please give the answer? Money glitch. What is the news time? Sister, it's about quality, not quantity. Absolutely, Gupta. It's all about quality, not about the quantity. Come on, guys. Let's make it 5500 before T2 go to sleep. It's not going to make 5500, I believe. But yeah, thank you. Thank you. Boom. I hit my 5490 target. I'm happy. I don't want to go for the extreme. I'm happy with this 1 minute liquidity level. Okay, and the 1 minute liquidity level is 5490. I'm talking about the subscriber. To 50% of that fabric gap hold, is it a good sign, right? Brother, here all I'm seeing is this constant encroachment of that new day opening gap. That's all I'm seeing over here. The constant encroachment of that new day opening gap. That's all I'm seeing. Nothing else. No other favorable gap, nothing at all, except the constant encroachment of the new day opening gap. That's all I'm seeing. And don't think that it's not going to work. I believe this should work. This should work, okay? But I don't want you to take the entry because it's already 540, 345. So I don't want you to put your money on the table in that type of situation. Now I'm telling you right now because you are not allowed to take entry after 345. That's why I'm telling you that I believe that it should work. Okay, but please don't push your button right now. It's after 345. No entry is valid around that area. Okay, looks like they want to close above view up and 17700. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see, brother. We will see. I'm bearish. Okay. Yes, after the bill. Okay, Jack T. Thank you, brother, for confirming that. Okay, money glitch. We have the news just after the closing bill. That means I guess 405. 405 is the news time. Okay. So it's earning report. That's all. I mean, not a big, big news or something like Nvidia, something like that. If it's not like that, then why I'm here? I thought it's gonna be a huge news. I will see a huge volatility. I was thinking like that way. I have now the sell side liquidity around that area. Market is going to take that sell side liquidity. I just targeted this last favorable gap. It should reach until that last favorable gap. Jadani, brother, how to know 15-minute favorable gap will work as a reaction or reversal? Please, I have made the video. Please watch those video, brother, about that. Just I have made that video in my channel. You will get that as well. Reversal versus reaction. Let me check. Reversal versus reaction. Why is that video? I don't remember why is that video. I guess inside this favorable gap. Here, reversal versus reaction from favorable gap. Watch this video, brother. Whatever you are asking, I have already made the video. So please watch those video. You will find that into the favorable gap concept video. Here, into this favorable gap concepts. You will get that. Okay, okay, it's gonna hit my stop loss. Ah, man, you're wrong, brother. You're wrong. But I told you when we have no opportunity to take entry. In that moment, I told you that I'm expecting that market is going to hit my target. So nobody took that entry, I believe so. Even if it hit my target, I am not going to be worrying about that. Okay, Preet, no problem, brother. No news now. Okay, it's Meta or Facebook. There is, oh man, that is going to have a effect. It's one of the top seven Nasdaq stocks. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that news. Okay, I mean, if it is that news, I would love to see that news around 405. So I will see if the volatility happened or not. Okay, to be honest, I never knew this type of things can happen before that Nvidia move. If you remember, I never know about that. So when someone told me about this, I would love to see that news reaction, how it react. And I believe that all of this setup is for that news, I guess. Could you please clear the Nvidia things? Where should we see this or learn about that Nvidia things? I mean, Muswa, I also don't know, brother. I mean, some days ago, I first heard about the Nvidia. Okay, it hit my stop loss. I heard about that Nvidia. Okay, so this type of Meta, Facebook or something after 4 p.m. I never watch market after 4 p.m. in my life until that day. Never ever. Maximum 410. Maximum 410. I have watched my market until 410 maximum. So I don't know how to trade those things after 4 p.m. I'm sorry for that, man. Really, I don't know. Thanks, bro. I will find out. Thank you, man. No problem, Preet. Boom. Yeah, it hit my target profit, and you are just trolling me, Scissor sauce. I will, I will ban you. Okay, I will ban you. Oh man. No entry is valid after 345 because the most nice setup doesn't work after 345. The most beautiful setup doesn't work. And here is 350. Around this candle, sometimes the volatility is huge, a huge volatility. The 350 candle news volatility. I'm sorry to waste your time. I would love to stay until that Meta news or something like that 405. So I will disturb you 15 more minutes. Okay, just 15 more minutes. I'm sorry for that. Okay. By the way, I didn't tell you to take this entry. Even I told you that I don't want to see that one, so that nobody take that entry. Okay, because it was after 3:30, and after 3:30, this type of weird thing happens. Remember, always remember, first time, then price. First time, then price. The time is the important or the crucial part of our trading. Thanks to all for subscribing and to hit my target 5490. I really grateful to all of you guys. I'm not even wrong over here. I'm happy to see that. Guys, I need to clear my mind. I mean, here, this is just for fun, okay? So you can say 1000 can contract. I don't want to put my stop loss. I would love to put my target profit only, okay? So yeah, I will go over here. No stop loss or nothing, okay? I do this for fun and it helped me to clear my mind, okay? So when I earned this last hour after 345, I found some site that market can reach over there. I do this thing, okay? Now it's not reading price action, nothing. It's just to clear my mind, okay? If it works, I am not going to say that it worked. If it doesn't work, I'm not looking for anything, okay? I hope you will understand. I took 50 contract. I took 1001 contract, brother. Hey, bro, was a long time bias. Brother, you have to watch my weekly Fabulous video. You will understand, brother. I mean, it's divided by two sides. I need the confirmation. Right now, I don't have any bias. The price is not precised for me, so I don't have any bias. Ahmed Mustafa, I'm better than you. Okay, you took 5 and I took 1001 contract. I'm back from the dinner at job. First 40 minutes. Anything dramatic? I don't think so. Nothing is dramatic. Just you are going to be the witness of my another win. Okay, here I'm using 1001 contract. So you are going to be the witness of my huge win. And over here, I don't have any stop loss. So I don't have any option to get stopped out. I have only one option to be right. And I'm going to be the right. Let's see, brother. The earnings, I would love to see how it react. I would love to see that. I'm just waiting for that news. That's all, brother. Otherwise, I would close my session. I just would love to see that news with all of you guys. Okay, single. And now I'm like I'm habituated to see the market with all of you guys. That's all. It's going to hit my target. Okay, don't think it's gonna hit my. Okay, let me put the stop loss as well. It's not going to hit my stop loss. It should hit my target profit. If I see it is going to hit my stop loss, I'll put it like this way. But yeah, so far I don't believe that market is going to hit my stop loss. It is going to hit my target profit. First time the BPR is broken. Second time it should work. If it started to go higher, I will put it. I will just move it like this way. It's so fun, man. Now don't think I'm a gambler. I do this. I love to do this. Okay, I will just remove it from my chart. Should I reverse? Okay, let's reverse. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Ahmed Mustafa, I'm bullish, man. If it started to fall, I will be bearish again. Apologize. Which BPR video do you recommend? Saw a few. I have only one video, brother. How can you say saw a lot? Just go to my study folder. From there, balanced price range, BPR for sure entry. Just watch this video. I have only this one video. Okay, brother? Money Gris 1001 Q $8 Sugunka. Oh, what is your question, brother? I didn't understand, Money Gris. I mean, I'm just doing this for fun, nothing else. Herman, what are you doing here, brother? You shouldn't be here. See what I'm doing. There I was, I took buy, now I took sell. Then I took rebuy again. If I see it's not going toward my direction, I'm gonna rebuy. Oh my god, kid. What the hell? Are you bearish on NQ? Yeah, right now I don't have any bias, brother. Yeah, whole day I was bearish. From the morning session to until the PM session, I was bearish, brother. So you can see all of this sell setup. This one, then that setup, then here those setup, those sell. I just took sell, okay, brother. So whole day I was bearish. And don't see my trade right now, brother. I'm just doing fun now. I mean, you can see it's after 345, no entry is valid. So I'm just doing fun, nothing else. And you can see my profit 100 35,000. Okay, something like that. That's my profit. I took more sell. Let's see who win. I'm a seller, brother. I'm a seller as well. And my target is, here is my stop loss. This is my target. I will be the loser here. Ahmed Mustafa. I will be the loser, man. Took both in my account. What do you mean by that? Glitch. What do you mean by that? You took both in your account. What do you mean by that? You should not trade here. I mean, if you're trading paper money, congratulations, brother. Join me, okay? Lol, I used to trade like that when I started and I was burned, lol. Yeah, Frank, that's the fun part. But yeah, I do this after 3:45 to clear my brain, okay? Because whole day I am just rule based trader. Okay, I can't take more than two contract, maximum time just one contract. So around the last hour after 3:45, I come here and I actually mark like 50, 100 contract. Then I pushed my button toward the direction I think market will go. Then if I see it's going against my direction, I keep change my direction. I mean sell turns into buy, buy turns into sell. I keep doing this. It helps me to get the relaxation. Okay, that's all, brother. Now, if anyone just join me, don't think that I am just trading right now. Okay, I'm just doing fun. I'm keep repeating this. I'm doing fun. I'm just waiting for that uh, Facebook or Meta news or something like that. I'm just waiting for that, and it is going to release maybe around 405, I guess. So yeah, I'm waiting for that. That's all, brother. I'm done of the price action for today. If anyone want to leave, you can leave. Okay. Wow, it hit my target, man. It hit my target. I'm the winner. দশক শতক হাজার অযুত লক্ষ $435,000. $435,000. What do you think about that? I don't care. Oh man, market is falling. Let it fall. Let's see how far it can reach. Free dopamine hits. It's so easy to paper trade cause no emotions, but I take a trade on live account always sweating until out of trade. Hamad, you are new to my channel, right? Hamad, if you are new to my channel, Hamad, congratulations, brother. Wait some more days with me. You will understand what is live money and what is paper money. Okay, brother. Meta earnings now. Okay, let's see, brother. If you tell me what is my expectation, I'm expecting market will fall until this parallel gap. That's my expectation. If Meta has that power to give the volatility, yeah, market is going to fall until that parallel gap. That's my expectation. No, I've been following you like 2 months now. Oh, okay, Ahmad. If you are following me for 2 months now, then obviously you know that paper money, I don't trade for paper money. Obviously you know that, Ahmad. Okay. I mean, this week I don't have anything. Last week I don't have anything. Maybe tomorrow I will come back with my real money. Maybe tomorrow because I have now buy side liquidity here from our hourly chart. Clean buy side liquidity. See this high and that high. They are relatively equal highs. So I have buy side liquidity. Still I don't have any sell side liquidity. So if I get confirmation that market is going higher actually, then I will be in with my real money. But if it keep going lower, No, I'm not gonna start live trading until it give me the precision or the entry. Sorry, the liquidity. I'm not interested to put my live money into the risk. So yeah, that's all. So let's see. I'm waiting for the meta. My expectation is market will reach here, that fair value gap. I don't know about the volatility. If I get the volatility, market should reach over here to that fair value gap. We will see. Okay. I'm expecting high. Okay, no problem. Are you trying to reach Tania's profit like that? No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, she is the best. I am nothing. Okay, Elena Avitavile. I know nothing about the price action. If you compare me with Tania, she's the best. I know nothing about the price action. So I'm not trying to catch her or anybody else. I'm not even interested to earn money from here. It's a long story. But if you ask me about yourself, yeah, I would love you to know how to beat any other famous YouTuber or any other famous trader. How to beat them. I would love to show you that. The way how you can beat those. That's my target. Brother, tomorrow is expansion day, but you thinking buy? No, I didn't say that I'm thinking buy. I just told that if I see market is going to go higher, then I will be here with my real money. If it keep going lower, I mean the continuation of the expansion, then yeah, I'm not going to start trading through my real money because I don't have any sell side liquidity. Without sell side liquidity, I'm unable to trade. Okay, guys, it's already 6:05. I mean already 6:05. When the volatility will come? Okay, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Here, 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 here. Oh man. Oh man. Seriously? Here, here. I want you to see here. Come here, baby, come. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. How to beat ICT? I don't know. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. One more time. Okay, brother. You're looking for buy because of. Oh man, no, I didn't say that I'm looking for buy. When I did, when I saw say that, I told you that if I see something like if it is going to higher, then I will. Oh man, just let it go, okay? I never said that I'm looking for buy. Just come to Papa. Come to Papa. Just tap over there. Just tap, 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 tap. Oh man. Now tell me the name of the wizard. Please tell me the name of the wizard. Please, 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 please. No, Miguel, I'm not trading, okay? I just told you that this is my target for today. That was my target, okay? I am bearish. Now, there was a news, huge news, meta or something like that. Market used that news to reach over here. Still, still, man, it's a great job. You have to appreciate me, man. It's a great job, okay? Boom. Write the boom word for me, man. Thank you for that. You the wizard. Thank you, man. It was fun. It was fun. No, brother, I just meant buy side liquidity. No, Preet, I just told that if I see any kind of sign that market is going higher for that buy side liquidity, then I will start trading my real money. If I don't see anything that will tell me that market is going higher and it is keep going lower, I'm not interested to put my real money on into this trading table. Okay, that's all I told. I'm done for today. I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. I don't know right now. So I will come back tomorrow. I will see the market tomorrow. Then I will decide where market is going. I was bearish the whole day. From the morning session, I was bearish. And I told that my expectation is market will reach at least until that fair value gap. Okay, this is not hindsight. Don't think this is hindsight. I told that. After reaching here, when market started to go higher, maybe some of you started to think market is going higher. But I was confident market will reach here to that entry fair value gap at least. Okay, it's broken. That's all, brother. Okay. Michael S. Saligan. What do you mean by there is no news? This is the Meta or something like that. I mean Meta, Facebook earning or something like that. Leon, though, it's a news of. I mean, you have to you will get that news in another calendar. Okay. I mean, anybody knows from where you got this this news? I mean, how do you know there is a news Meta news at 405? How do you know that? Anybody knows? Thank you, Jack T, for writing down that boom. I don't need to catch that on, man. Just I'm right. My direction was right. Whole day I was right. Can't be I happy? I'm happy, man, because I was right. Who else can do that? In CPI, like did I mark the direction beforehand? In FOMC, remember? Did I mark the run beforehand? Who can? I mean, I know it's gambling, but just looking at the price action, that was my target. Exactly this entry fair value gap. It's simple, man. I'm not telling you to take this entry or go for that. No, I'm not telling that. I'm just telling you I'm happy because I was right. That's all, okay? I can see news. Okay, where is the next target? Meta continue down, and where is huge daily gap? Below this entry fair value gap, if you have watched my weekly analysis, then you know that market should reach over here around this fair value gap. It should reach over here, not any other level. That's my area. I have the BPR here and the last fair value gap. For today, it can reach until that area, that BPR area today. Okay, it can reach until here, but for me, when price reach to that entry fair value gap, I'm done for today. I don't know about the volatility. If the volatility continue, then it will go for sell side liquidity. It will continuously go lower for this sell side liquidity, this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows. If still the volatility remains over there, it will go for that sell side liquidity. That's for sure. Okay. Search for the earnings calendar. Oh, okay. So, brother, you can search for the earning calendar, then you will get this news. Okay. I have two calendars and both are empty. Bro, that inversion fair value gap was from 1 hour. Absolutely, Preet. It's from 1 hour chart, brother. Financial juice. Okay, you can go to that website. Okay, so yeah, financial juice. Another guy just confirmed. You can go over there. I'm not interested about this type of news because it's after 4. But yeah, I need to know that beforehand because market wait. Okay, the whole day market was waiting for this run. The market was making. Why market didn't fall? Why it reached until that area? Why it didn't continue to go lower? The reason is market was just building the setup for that earning news. Just for that run, market built this whole setup. Market built that whole setup just for that run. So yeah, it's also important. You have to know that beforehand. To the ticket, this gets me analyzingly hype day by day. Okay, okay, guys. So I think it's done. Is there any another volatility like Nvidia? We got the volatility around 430. So is there any opportunity to get that volatility around 430, guys? Jack T or Preet, Ravi. Ravi, you commented right? T2 is equal precision. Oh well. Meet Patel is the guy who told me about the Nvidia for the first time in my life. I heard about this type of news in my life for the first time, and as so far I remember, the name was that guy was Meet Patel. Thank you, man. But Titu, you have to say we are wizards too, since we told you to wait for 05, 405. Absolutely, Meet Patel. You guys are the real wizard. I am just your, I know, a shadow, nothing else. Okay. Chitu is the wizard, but I got more profit than you. Ahmed Mustafa, don't don't compete with me, okay? Oh, okay. So if it's over, thank you guys. I am also over for today's session. I believe that it was little insightful for you. I mean, uh, whatever I tried to teach you today, not teach actually, whatever I shared, maybe you get something from here, okay? So if you like it, don't forget to give me the like. If you don't like it, don't forget to give me the dislike. Either way, just push your button. Meet Patel. Some earnings are before the bell, so it will be during London session, but the big news always after the bell. Then I will never catch them. Simple thing. Drop the link of the calendar, please. Okay, guys, whoever that calendar link, please send it to me to my Twitter. Then I will just okay, just comment that link in any of my Twitter post. I will repost it. Okay, please do that for me. Why earning calendar don't show news time? Please, guys, just just comment that link any of my tweet. Then I will repost it. Here is the link. Okay, the link won't show over here, brother. Meet Patel. So just comment that to my Twitter. Okay, please do that for me, man. Please. We have another one for 410. It's IBM earning. Is it going to be the volatile as well? 410, it's already passed. It's 415. Yes, meet. Okay, meet. Just comment it to my any of my Twitter. I will repost it, man. That will be a great help, man. Okay, I guess it's done for today. Yeah, it's done for today. And thanks to all for subscribing at least to hit my target 5490. I really grateful to all of you guys. You still hear my boring lecture, my unlimited talking. I'm a talkative person, not in my real life, but when I'm in front of my chart, yeah, I'm a talkative person. I would love to explain the price action one after another, one after another, one after another. Okay, just take one entry, it worked, stop for the day. No, I don't like that shit. So yeah, that's all, brother. Okay, already did, you can check. Okay, mate, I'm gonna repost it. Thank you, brother. So thank you guys, I hope that we will meet tomorrow. Not a promise, but yeah,